Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you.
Oh, let me sit down. Candio.
Tambourine!
Sonia, come, the cheer strong, you know.
Tambourine family. I'm here summer. I'm here setting. Down it to the flipping world.
Get the tambourine and praise the Almighty Father. All God-fearing people, let's go.
Get right.
Yeah.
Mixup and Blenda, Dancehall.
Hey, hey, hey,
Shantana, what's up?
hey. Up there,
Take that away, hello, me, you know.
up there.
That away, hello, me, you know.
Tambourine and praise the Lord. But the lead for with them bad mind, it can't stop in a revival time. Everybody shake up the tambourine and praise the Lord.
A Mixup and Blenda time. A Mixup and Blenda time.
Even to see how my eagle doing. Big up on yourself, you know. People remember tomorrow's show is over Big Yard. Tomorrow's show is over Big Yard. I line up my selection them for play tomorrow too. Tomorrow's show is over Big Yard. And for my birthday, Sunday, September 6th, we're having a show over Big Yard. On my birthday, Sunday, September 6th, we're having a show over Big Yard. Right? My little birthday show, you know. Play some music and drink some Baileys and I don't know, alright? Yeah, so I just keep that in mind. People, you know, it's a good one. I not eat a plate of cook. No. When me did go up upscale cannabis, me eat a plate of food. Yeah, but outside at that time, and be a Solomon gun there and crackers and egg sandwich and sardine sandwich and mackerel sandwich. I just throw them out, you know. I'm so damn busy, you understand? But me really not eat. It just dawned upon me, say, apart from that one time that when me go up on my bridge in dispensary, cannabis dispensary, me not really eat no food, like food, you know. I'm doing everything to notice it, you know. It's all good. YouTube family, big up. Facebook family, big up. And Jameli, you get the email I sent to you from a membership thing, from a membership portal. I sent you an email, right? And you get the me. Or Christina talk about go cook. I want to that woman I want to come stress me out. You see when I tell her, you see she go say, let me check. Right? Obviously she one of them way. The email that she using, I bet you that makes she can't come over and whatever and log in good and whatever. She don't even know that email, she not check that email. Right? Munchie go beard before you come in and chat. Go beard. Go beard, Munchie, go beard. Raga, you finally watch from the other day a beer sweater you wear. Alrighty. And Jameli, me send this something to you. Are you see it? And that me I tell you, you know, I come and stress me out. I go and like say, I mean, I do something or whatever. Well, Andy. The woman here, I see, man. And she not give her most them and help them all and them problem here, you know. Yeah, but come over here and stress me out. Let me see, you know, Angie. I tell my boy she don't ain't named the email. All right, Anjameli is a Hotmail account and it starts with C. Oh, it's an abbreviation of Calgary Girl, right? So it start with CLG. Do you know that email? Anjameli, do you know that email? Shanae said the blue no pop like the red. But no, the blue is better though, you know? Christina, you know some need for move that something there. Christina, Angie, the email it's CLG is an abbreviation for Calgary Girl at hotmail.com, right? You see when I talk about red look better upon me, red look better upon me. This look better upon me, right? You see, you never I use the wrong email, Anjameli. And they are stress me up, boy, you can't this and you can't that. Nah, man, you see when I talk about K, big up yourself. You see when I talk about the red look better and thing. Watch your Sonia, the red better, Shanae, the red. This better. Right? Because here we are going. You see this now, this have a light. This a color have, all colors have personality, you know. And the personality of the color, it's Angie, the red is better. See, the Shantana says she like the blue more. All right, Shantana, I work with you, you know. You see? No, what I say is, this, it attracts less attention than the red. Right? People big and serious, you know. Probably don't even know, you know, but I don't really, you know, I don't really want too much attention, you know. You see what I say? So this now, it have a kind of, you see that color, yeah? This is not baby blue, you know. It's more in a kind of one that one called aqua. It's a light aqua, this, you know. But that color, you know, it light, and it kind of a look of smoothness and a calmness about it and whatever. And, you know, look of color energy to it and thing. But it not too bold like no red and no yellow. You understand? What, this a pastel? Nah, man, this is not pastel. This is more like teal. Yeah, this is more like teal. Yeah, man, me like blue. Blue have a look of melanin about it, a look of balance. People big and serious, me like. Ladies, you know this, you know, because you know which hairstyle, what kind of clothes, and you just know once you style on a year certain way or wear a certain skirt or a certain top or whatever, and you don't guarantee if you go no attention, right? You know which color. Once you put on that color there and drop a road, be attention on the get time and them. And the same me when I want dress down and get, you know, and I want to whatever. I still know which color I want to work with. Yeah, man, this is my color, man. Yo, TikTok is just like Munchie, red or black for you. For you, Munchie. Munchie know if I put on clothes, you know. She can't cook, but she know if I put on clothes. Man, I lie. When Munchie clean up, you know. When Munchie at the road, you know. The world have to see that, you know. I want to take Munchie. Munchie make them know, you know. Yeah. When you make Kiara swerve and thing and boy ankle slip when them a look around and all these things. I want to them Munchie. Tell them say when you drop a road, man, and you fix up and you drop a road, man, a problem, man. You understand? Hold on. all of the woman them who want to dress, I want to put on, on a nose, I want to dress sexy and thing, I want to go road. Woman always are going to bad face. When them man they round you, them man I look upon you. And you know want them man, you not even see them man and all them something there. Ladies, anyone wanna go through that something there? Milo say, Milo, that is just funny. You know why it's funny? Milo, that is hilarious. You know what? Milo, when them do that, you probably just dead with laugh though and say, if only they knew, no. Eh? You can't just see her dead with laugh in a Milo. All right. Tal, you go through that, don't? Empress Carleen, you go through that, yeah? Hey, you have some insecure woman out there, you know? Hey, you have some woman, you know? You would dress up and you go about your business, you know? You not see a guy, you not see a girl. You don't see a guy, you don't see a girl. You go about your business, you know? And a woman and her man were juggling, the man I look for you and she catch her man I look for him. And a heifer want beat you. A heifer give you bad face and thing and this and that. And, yo, you know the one them will get to me? The woman them, when them man a look for another woman, them a cuss the woman and I say, them need to stop dress like that and whatever. I know say decent people come out the road with them relationship and whatever. Them need for whatever this. You never hear some woman talk them way there? You ever hear some woman talk them? Me hear woman talk them way there, you know? Like good a cuss like a strange woman, you know, who them man eyes, you know. People don't even realize how dysfunctional that is. You don't know this woman from Adams. The woman don't even see a man. She go about her business, right? She probably have a good relationship where she in and whatever, and don't see. And you just get up and cuss this stranger so because her man I look upon her. Because the man I look upon her. And mad people them, man. Yes, but at them man there, them for cuss with them roving eyes. People are not even roving eyes either, you know. All right. Here is my reasoning with this. Right? Me not think nothing wrong if a man a walk with him woman and a next woman dress exceptionally well, like eye-catching, just like something there where eye-catching, and the man I look upon her, right? Because I know say some woman on the light or something there, you know. It's how the man look. If he's like drooling over her or whatever, then that there's an issue. But me not think nothing wrong if, you know, a woman a juggle and somebody dress half naked or look absurd or just look daring and bold and you're like, damn. You know, you cannot turn to your woman and say, look, you see her and whatever, you know? Some woman can't manage or something there, you know? Yeah, you have some woman that want a man, you have some woman that want a man look for a woman, you know? Yeah. I did somebody like that. That never last though. Right? In when we were there Connecticut and thing and whatever. And you know, we jump on the road, you have one here near Manchester, Connecticut. One mall up there. And me and I go through the mall and this woman here, she just woolly for colors and thing and it is like she in a tennis outfit, but she come to the mall and whatever. So me I look on her and whatever this and this and my girl is like, what you looking at? I said, what? What you looking at? I said, the woman over there. So why you looking at the woman and you're walking with me? I said, you know, see how she looks. She just look. Everybody I look on her. But you're not supposed to look on her when you're walking with me. That is disrespectful. I said, yeah, I know. That not gonna work with me and you know. Cut it out. But you're being disrespectful. I mean, like argue about certain foolishness, you know. So I just shut her down right. This and that and give her a breeze. Some woman, as far as them concerned, them man nothing have no reason for look over upon another woman. One next person, whatever, they bring it up and thing and whatever, and my, you know, I'm say to her, I say, you realize say other one woman they have a problem with me and look upon, though? She like, I say, yeah, that one woman they don't. But me say me look for other people. We dip on the road, how long I may look for other people. You know, no problem with that. But you have a problem with that one person, you know. Well, yeah. So I say, that's not my issue. I know me I look. Me obviously is an observant person, me I look all about. You understand? But you have a problem with that one woman then or whatever, no, you come project it for me. Right? That's not my issue. You have to work out that. Yeah. One time I went to Lava boat ride and this guy keep on watching me. His wife saw and come box him. The wife see him do and come shut him a box down. Boy, them say dopey know who for frighten, you know, boy. Dopey know who for frighten, man. I want to meet that woman who can come shot me a box because me I look whatever this and that. Yeah. Tikiana said, me and my man I look. Yeah. Yeah. And yeah, them relationship never want me and my woman sit down and be like, yeah, me date woman would sit down and be like, no, but be, you know, see her pump my print out too much, it attract what you think, and what, and me and my woman just talk about all them something that you understand? Yeah, man, you want them levels there, you know what she says, well, you hire do this so, or you read this so. If it's obvious, say it just pronounce and thing, you go see it. The next thing, when I like a woman who, you woman who dress sexy and revealing. I want to know how I want to dress. I want to know the impact where it have on a drop out there. And I say I want to know. Like me I tell you, women on more conscious of them something than we men. You know, details and things, want to know how people are going to look. So I want to dress sexy and revealing. And then when man I look for, I can't take them money, you know, them are going desperate and this and that. When them look for and whatever, and you can't even walk in peace. Like, one thing I got happen, one on a dress so and go a road and whatever. And then when I go on like when I want come policeman and tell man what they do. Right? And to my billion, you know, back in the day, in time when a woman drive them car upon me on road, and me I look pan. What you looking at? You, are you me I look pan? So where I look pan for me I look pan because the whole of your breast out the door and you set it that way the first say the whole of your breast out the door. So it catch me eye. Me I say the whole of your breast out the door. Awa. Yeah, man, I'm ramp with them man and check them man and them ever back up. Because you know when them say when you're looking at and whatever, you know, people just kind of recoil and be like, oh sorry or what. Me not tell them sorry. Me I say, are you me I look pan? Are you me I look pan? So you can't make me walk in peace. Not when the wall of your, when you bring up your tights in the wall of your front and the big split there so you two pum jar them out and you looking at the mirror before you come out like all women do and you see your two pum jar them fat up in that thing and you come up on road and thing and you expect when I look pan it, me I look pan it. Because you want to look pan it. And I hype your hype and an extra and I go on like saying I like when we look on it. If you never want to look on it, you wear the big sweatshirt and thing when you did the press when the man left you and you never want nobody come call to you and you wear some big baggy clothes, go out and thing and tie your head and come out and thing. If you never want to look on it, that you wear. But the attention you want to say, yeah, get the attention now. Don't come ask for me I look on. Where you think me I look on? Me I look on how you dress and go on. Right? And if you want to come over and make you go on with that thing, make you go on. And stop it foolishness. Yeah, man, I ran for drop them woman, man. Anytime them come draw that car upon me, man, I just move to them right away. Yeah, you may look for now. Stop me now. I'm gonna do them things again, you know. I'm tell you, I'm an old man flex, you know. I ignore people, you know. But back in the day, I used to set for them, you know. Ladies, when you buy clothes, you buy clothes different from we, you know. Wanna pay attention to so many details about the clothes we wanna buy. Wanna say little, wanna say it. And yet, wanna still end up buy clothes where you spend 90% of the time when you're working at the clothes where you spend 10 hours by, you put on 15 outfit, another one day you pick and whatever, and then you end up pick the one where you end up the whole time when you're out there, you dry it down, you dry down the clothes, you dry it down, you dry it down, you dry it down, you dry it down. Make it make sense. And then I go on like it a bad, I wanna say it, wanna dry it down. Make it make sense. Okay, because we are women. The psychology behind that though, you know. Una want dry it down, you know. Because it's a performance. Wearing it is a performance to act like, say, you never know, say, it did I ride up on you. A fool no wear that now for say, I'm a decent person, you know, but me still want to wear that dress, yeah. Right? A fool no wear that for say, I'm really a nice woman of integrity, you know. But the skirt, yeah, me did have to wear it. Right? I wanna go and like couldn't get annoyed and it frustrating or the skirt or whatever. Una they don't know say the skirt a ride up. Cause una know nobody. Una know different material fit on nobody. Right? Una know say the skirt did have a ride up on. But then una go and like say una never like it and thing. If you have to pull it down, no put it on, or leave it and let it go where it wants. No, but Fish, I mean, I really say that, you know, because, again, it's a game, really, you know, for most of those women who do that, you know. Them know it a ride up. And the pulling down, it's like a game. I actually have no problem with the women who do that. Sometimes I see them I do it and, you know, the one them I have a problem with, and the one them I go on like, it's a problem when it a ride up. Which is part of the performance. Right? The one them get, you know, like them frustrated and thing and whatever, this and that and blah, blah, blah. When they knew before it a ride up, but them know also that when it a ride up, them a go on like say, them never know say it a ride up and it a annoy them and it a frustrate them and all these things. You understand what I mean? And slim ladies. Ladies who have svelte bodies and slim bodies and thing and whatever, I want to have too much hips and whatever. Some I want to need to stop bad mind the woman them with hips here. Yeah man, some I want a slim woman on pass all kind of remarks when the woman them with shape and thing and whatever and them clothes fit them certain. Some I want a slim woman and thing and if you go and allow the woman them man who have hips and all them something there and this and that happen to them thing. Go on and allow the woman them, man. Yeah, some on a slim woman and that to not go on with. Ladies with curves. You know what I talk about, don't? Ladies with curves. Don't you know what I talk about, don't? You know about I wear the bomb. You see, the casca says true. Some of the slim woman them when them see the full-bodied woman them in and them thing. All kind of problem them have with them. Too tight. This and that and ray. And then she not just for fit her body. you never hear them yet. She not just for fit her body. She don't know if to buy clothes for her body. You know, go on, man, and allow the woman them, man. With a slim self. Right? Me never hear a full-figured woman yet, or a curvy woman yet, or a woman with hip. Me never hear one of them women that have a problem with slim woman when them have on for them tight clothes, you know. Seriously. You don't ever hear a full-figured woman or a woman with curves and whatever, this and that and whatever. You ever hear them have a problem with slim woman? No, them not a problem with slim woman. Right? right? Them don't have any problem with slim woman. And then one look a sensitive part to one thing and whatever, yeah. You know, somehow, if you don't have no body, if you don't have no bottom, you don't have problem with people who have bottom and all them something there and whatever. With the clothes that them are wear, because them are accentuate their assets and thing and whatever, you don't have a problem with that. Leave the people them, man. Let them live. Right? You have man who like slimmers and I like, you know, thickers. So work with what you have. Work with your strength. You see what I say? Work with what you have, man, and about to fight against somebody else who live for them life, you know. Andrea, that a lie. Them cuss at the slim woman, them maga. Well, two things. You miss what me I said. Them being maga, what me I talk about clothes, right? Me I talk about clothes. But cussing them say them maga, me don't know what you mean, you know, if I like just any cussing a clothes we are talking about now, you know, yeah? Andrea, clothes we are talking about now. But let me tell you something, do. Ladies, when it come to woman, to people I watch what other people are wear, why, uno dep on one different level in comparing to man, you know. Man really, yeah, we watch a guy wear and thing or whatever, but, you know, we not, the way we, the way we do it, we don't do it to the degree we want to do it. One of the things that has always intrigued me is a woman, they use clothes as a reference, well, deeper for identity, but as a reference for memory. That has always intrigued me with a woman, you know. Yo, you have two women attack and I say, you know, remember so and so? And next woman me say something like, nah. And then you hear one of them say, at the day when you wear the red top with the little something when they come over here, some man, you know, remember the day when you wear the red top and thing and whatever, and Charmian did in the blue bottom with thing and that, and right away, women just connect. Right away they remember everything, you know. Right away they remember, yo, woman think different from that. They would recall like some event or some incident or when something happened by the clothes where the person did wear. And sometimes it's not even them, you know. You know, when it's amazing, when they will say something like, when they will say something like, this is just amazing. Well, let me make up an example, but like they will say something like, girl, me see one rotted fight downtown and whatever, this and that, you know. A girl beat her next girl. He say, you know the girl, man, what the girl from around she must have come from around Tower Hill or so. And I say, one girl, man, one brown girl from, you know her, man, I gotta tell you, you remember when we did go Jan party? You remember when we go Jan party? You remember one girl did in there, and she did in a one yellow blouse, one yellow top and thing, and she did have a red hat and one. And just amazingly, the other person be like, oh yeah, me know her. Remember that girl, yeah, she did at the party for true. Remember, you know, this is somebody who them don't know, you know, right? Them they have an event, you know. And she can remember, say, you know, one woman can know, say, I'm not going to tell her what the woman did that wear, man. And she would just remember this random person where she did say long time, but they remember the outfit. Women are weird with that. Y'all are weird with that. Like, it's just crazy. Crazy with that something there. On a crazy with that something. They're like, men, we don't think like that. We don't remember, events by where people did a wear and them something. But on the on a next level with that, I wanna can be so precise about it. I remember the something with them. Right? On a bad them way there. Yeah. But I wanna say details too, for a long time. So I phone thing that, No man, woman watch what other woman wear. Yeah, woman watch what other woman wear. Big time. Big time. Big time. Big time. Funny thing different doing, Women will go together like as a group and be like, all right, where we address. Yeah, like women will have like an event. I could dress over Clara House. Yeah, I could dress over Clara House, and it's an event, The dressing over Clara House is an event, And then them between them one and come and fix your eyelash and thing and whatever. Okay, no, draw up the skirt, and this is just like this camaraderie between them, Cause that's a part of the ritual I go out, For the whole of them dressed together and thing and whatever. Oh, y'all are weird, man. Yeah, everything is an event. The dressing together is an event. It's part of the sisterhood. It's part of the bonding. It's part of the event. The event is not only when them there, For women, an event start from when them buy the clothes, Yeah, when women buy, sometimes y'all kill me, man. Cause what woman would do? They would say like, all right, yeah, me need an outfit for such and such party, I know where we go, whatever, boom, 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 bam, 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 bam. Anyway, then them reach a point. Yeah, me have 3 different outfits to me I look for, I have 3 different outfits. 3. So, which one you going to choose? Me don't know yet. But you have them now. Yeah. So I know something you could have choose now. No, me have to kind of put them down first and then go back to them. No, do that, no. You have this process, whatever. I'm gonna put them down first and then go back to them after, Yeah, because it's like you have to make them soak. I'm gonna make them soak first and think I'm not ready for go back there yet and think, Y'all will go to a store and spend hours at trying and take out this and that, and pick an outfit. This is it. I wanna look over on yourself and look. Then I'm gonna go home and take it out and look on the outfit. We wanna spend hours at try and 10 million one and pick that one day. I wanna put on that one day and they take it off. I wanna put on back that one day again and whatever and choose that one day. I wanna reach home and I don't like it. Spiritually blessed. I mean that, Raga. And then when you ask them, like, look how long you spent with it, and think, what you mean, like it? I don't know, it just feel different. It look different. No, it just feel different now. It look different now. And I don't like it. I'm gonna bring it back, You just spend hours to try a different one. You put it on and take it off, you put it on and take it off, and whatever, this and that, and then you don't like it, no. Y'all, but again, that's a part of the experience for you, And if a man not understand that and get frustrated, end up not like him, man, Oh. Right? A man have to just alone on the space, all if him can get part of that process, At that time, I love a boy, because the boy just knowing something that you have to go through your thing, Boss, some men don't want no man to look at his woman when he's walking with her. No, man, a damn foolishness that. Caribbean man no stay so. Patrick Paul, that is an American thing. Caribbean man, one man fi look upon them woman. Right? Caribbean men, most Caribbean men, if they go to them woman, and nobody know about them woman, them I want to wrong with them woman. For some of them man, them here, for a lot of Caribbean men. Right? Caribbean men, in general, one man fi look upon them woman. Can't get them. One man fi look upon the man and just proud of my woman that. Yeah, me a carry her home, yeah. Sexy Sam. The worst part is how we may ask for the men's opinion and still choose something else. Anybody that listen me for a while, me know the science to that now. I learned the hard way. Connecticut again. I learned the hard way when I was dating somebody in Connecticut with that. Right? And one of my mentors school me upon it and make me know when I do wrong and whatever. And when I go back, man, I the boss with that, man. When woman ask man opinion and thing and men, listen to me now. If a woman a go somewhere important and she ask you your opinion on different things where she wear, don't assume that what she's asking you is for you to choose. The real secret is she wants you to become engaged in a discussion, a really applied discussion, like a real discussion. And she will choose the outfit herself. Even when she said to you, all right, which one need I want me wear? Men, if your woman has said, which one of them you want me wear, she's not asking you which one. She not really ask you which one you want her to wear. Because the minute you tell her which one you want to wear, the big mistake man make is on think that's it. No, that is an opening question. Because the very next question coming after that is what? Why? Why you choose someone? Yeah, women need, it's about the discussion. It's not about you choosing. It's about the discussion. And then she's going to choose from the discussion, right? Also, when woman asking them something there, it's an aesthetic issue about how she look. But more importantly, is how she going to feel in it. Men, for women, them going to talk about how the clothes look, you know. But you need to understand what them really are talking about, this how it make them feel. Even though them may not say it. But you need to understand that. Nick's Chemical say, I don't like it. No, man, once you understand it, that's the coolest thing, man. And let me tell you something. You see if you lock in panda something there. Errol, Raga, Jamaica sink and we as Jamaican is losing Jamaica. Who cares what women are wearing? No disrespect. No, Errol, nobody come over here with your depression and your stress and whatever. We talk about all kind of things over here, Errol. Nobody come over here come lecture we now. Errol, nobody with it, man. All right? We juggle with things over here. Yeah, Errol, you're stressed, but I advise if you carry that stress to somewhere else. We are talking about woman clothes right here now. And we have fun over here. We emphasize fun over here, even though we deal with serious things too, all right? Errol say, big up, sir. Big up yourself, Errol. We are talking about woman dress and all them something there. Ragashanti something. Yeah. And the ladies, them love when me I talk about them something, all right? All right, Errol? Big up yourself, all right? All right. Back to our reasoning, ladies, all right? Watch your right now. Back to our thing. Yeah, we are talking about it. So, men, listen to me now. You see, when a woman ask about which one of them, yeah, If we and whatever, if you knock her with an argument like and say, you're the one that not good enough, but how you da feel in night? You da comfortable in night and thing, because remember say the night I go on, you go do the for whole heap of hours. You go dance? You go dance? No, I don't think I go dance too much or whatever. If you go dance, then you probably not want to wear that, because and whatever, You don't want that kind of cramp your style and whatever, because you can't do dance, that. So if you want to dance, that, I wouldn't advise you for real. But or you feel like you feel like you can move, dip look a bit and thing. Why not? You can't move, Oh, but see, you move good, man. So if you dance, I wonder. Oh, so you're not going to dance. You can't wear it then, but you're comfortable in it. Or you feel. What you feel? You feel sexy or you feel calm or what kind of vibe you want to give them? Like, Yeah, me not really not the excitement tonight, I just want to mellow and more. All right then, since in the excitement tonight, me don't know, because that kind of have a little hype energy I go with it, and things. So you gotta have a kind of disconnect right there. So I don't know, you probably want to put on something else and things for go with your feel. Listen to me, man. Yes, when you can chat to woman so and you really mean it and whatever. Thing, man. And your woman said, no, me like him, me can't talk to him understand me. And whatever, me don't know when I talk to him, I just feel good when I talk to him, I just get a vibe when I talk to him and whatever. What? Raga, the men aren't that deep. Well, I'm not really deep. It's really a mind shift, It's really a mind shift. But this is an example where me I tell you, like some man now go say, a girl business that man and whatever after, ray. This is one of them examples, where me would enjoy with that woman and the next man would probably say, I know man think that man not for do that or whatever, and then I won't care. And then they wonder why white woman like some man over there. Hey, a man once say, listen this. When I'm in Bridging, him same father said to him, say, never trust a man who can fix anything, who can fix things, and make woman laugh round your woman. Him said, never trust a man who can fix things, right? And make woman laugh. Never you trust a man that around your woman. A real thing, people. People, remember me I tell you, say a real thing in the man attack, my virgin father attack, Ladies, know that something there, Right? You see, they fix anything, the part they have to do with women love a man who them can say, babe, so and so and so, and the man say, boom, 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 and deal with it and thing. Women love that shit. Y'all, women love that shit, right? So if you're a fixer, right? Worse if you can't fix it the way she want it, You see, if all you can do look up plumbing and them something there and fix this and fix. Women love that shit, right? Right? Women love men who fix things. Now, me's primarily a bookman, admittedly. Me not a fixer. I can't fix things, because I'm kind of handy, but not like them man. Them man they look on air conditioner and fix it. I know them something there. Electrician, I know them something. But you see, the make woman laugh something, Don't play with me. So I tell you, it's a big nose, big head ragga, I tell you, it's a face boy wasn't my thing, Me wasn't a face boy. Me wasn't a cute boy. Me not cute, right? I never my thing that. I tell you about Gary and them other man, they were Peter Tolo and them boy. They were the good-looking brown boy, them. With straight nose back in them day, when woman frightened for them, something there. You understand? And them boy, the woman see them and be like, oh my God, he's so cute, right? Woman never like that with me. But me, once me there on you, man, lyrics off girl draws, man. I want me to, yeah. And that's the thing there, make girl laugh. Let me tell you something. Men, listen. Enough of them woman I can't tell you. Throughout them life, on many occasions, them say cute man and thing and whatever. And be like, yo, he's cute and whatever. And them smitten with the cute. And once them get round the man running personality and whatever, him not cute again. Him not cute again. Cause boy nah no swag, him nah no charisma. Boy nah no lyrics, boy nah make she laugh, you know? Boy too serious and boring or whatever. Make them woman I tell you, me not ask you, make them tell you. Right? Make them tell you. Just cute and dry. And after a while, the cute just get tired. Worse, women physical cute different from our cute, you know. Men, well, I am not like that anymore, but for men, when woman cute, she could have full look more, she's still cute for me, right? She could have been the biggest idiot. She could have been the biggest kunomono. From girl look good for we. And we are lace that same way, don't? Right? Women different, we know. Women different with that something there. Women were obsessed over a boy for all months, you know. When them see him today, you know, oh my God, me see my man, me see my husband and thing. Him. Jesus Christ, me see him. We are obsessed over a boy for a long while. And that boy would do one thing. We just turn her off and he's like, I don't like him again. You know, when him do this and that, and him dig him nose and him spit, whatever, and him go say so and that's it. Him not cute again. Women are weird like that, right? Men, women love for them cute, different from our cute. We, the woman we cute, you know. And again, me not really stay so. Me did stay so before, me not stay so now. But the woman we cute, you know. For we, you know. And end up I say the stupidest thing, the dumbest thing, I'll boogie in her nose or whatever and that. And we are killed that same way, you know. Oh, you mean, when a business, she still cute, right? She may fool, but she cute. Yeah. Yeah, man. Enough man, them knock a pretty dance them same way. Pretty dance them same way and put it on them same way, man, and whatever. So you have to find our thing different them way the men, right? That's why, you know, when you get in with a woman, make sure say you pay attention to them look or something there, you know. If she like you, don't take it for granted. Just make sure you not do nothing to turn her off and make she change her mind. You understand? You have to build upon that. Yeah. Yeah. Alistair say what? Lana is a bag face and deal with. Yeah, that was the talking at Jamaica. Yo, put a bag over her face and lace it, see me down. I mean, that is just a euphemism for say, yo, then we work with anything, you know? How well and I say, oh, yes, I. But yeah, man, me tell you, my virgin father, Drew father, say, never you trust a man who can fix anything and make a woman laugh around your woman. Man who can fix anything at worse, all them have that combination, the man who can fix anything and whatever, the man they dependable, the man they do things for woman and get things done. Woman love them something there. Right? Yo, Jamaica, man will have dirty money. Right? Him and him woman, they with him woman and whatever. And the man go say, I don't want you to take no bus and not whatever this and that and whatever. Me get a car, me get somebody for drive you around and whatever. And get a driver for her. You know what happened after that, right? Yeah, man, after a while, man, the driver start knock it, man. The day when she get married, and them get one different car for him drive, and him a drive her go the wedding, she say, according to how it go, she say, come over, and she lift up the wedding dress and kind of fold it to the side, him say, and bring it over so cause she don't want to crush it up and slide down and shut around before she go in her wedding, them man, and just use up her wipes and then go in there go say her vows, them and thing and whatever. The same driver where him get for driver around and all them thing. Right? You see that lyrics something there? I don't know if I want a woman now go admit it, you know. But no for a woman, particularly when you're younger, you don't know about that guy there. Oh, I never that guy there that you think say you did attracted to her that one day you did want. But it's him. When him talk up something that make you laugh, it make you what? Feelings again, as your emotions, whenever you want to say. Make you feel good, and then after a while, you just start like him. Right? You just start like him because his lyrics and thing, and he make you laugh. And him take away your stress and your problem, them and all them something there. Right? Right? Me see him bridging there when I tell about Drew. Him not tell about a situation, whatever, and him say from him see the man. He's not a man when she interested in her, you know, but the man just walk up to her and say, a pretty girl like you not for ugly, you know. A pretty girl like you not for ugly. What you do ugly? And she start laughing. What are you talking about? He must say, you're ugly and you're pretty and look how you're ugly up yourself. Now ugly up yourself, some man. Loosen up yourself, man, and whatever. And Drew say, right away, him say, you know, say, she go give that man this some eventually. So say so done. Right? Men, listen to me, enough of them women and I go admit it and thing. But I'm mostly big woman over here now, so it thing different now than juggle it. But most of them women here can tell you about a time when them did younger. When them end up I do so with a guy, we make them feel good, man. We make them laugh, man. When them enjoy the youth there and whatever. And it wasn't about money. It was about this or that and whatever. But the boy, them lyrics just make them feel good and whatever. They're not going to admit it now, you know. No worry yourself. They're not going to admit it. But enough of them are sit on right now and them are member. The boy is like, I want your ragga, you know. Yeah, I saw Mikey did stay, you know. Let me give it up to him. But that is going to my grave with me. Nobody now know that. Yeah. Most of them women, I tell you that. I tell you, say, oh, back in the day when I run road and whatever, I never no looks make me get girl. Lyrics, me have the lyrics them. And then after me get my Ph.D. now, then at that time, woman look me. But before that, woman never look me. They never see me clot. Yeah. Yeah, lyrics you have, man, and make woman laugh and feel good, man. And call you, man. You see, when a woman, when you drive your man and a woman call you and say, what you do? Me not feel well, I call you if you feel better, yeah, man. I can want to make me laugh and whatever. Me did love them something there, you know. What? Me love them something there, man. Because you literally tell me, say, me make you feel good. You know, mean say something must work out, you know, but, you know, it increase the probability so something can go on, you know. You know what I'm saying? Craig, you ever have that when woman call you and be like, what you do? Say, no, I'm up on the road, you know, what? Nothing. When you're busy, call me, but no, man, I what? Nothing really, me just give a shout. No, I what? No, me just there and, you know, me just say me give a call. And in your mind, you say, yeah, man. Yeah, that's something there, you know? And you say, no, man, when you done, call me back, man. And then you go say, No, man, talk to me right now, man, because it sound like you're hungry and you do well with a piece of bull and pig. You see that me I tell you, you see me start laugh already. Yeah, woman love them something, them, man. Yeah, let's start time out and thing you take up all our jars and just put it on your head and say, what's up? What you like? Some of them, man, are not too serious. You don't even have the vibes and fun about it and whatever, you understand? Yeah, you don't even spontaneous. You don't do look at something, you know? You understand, yeah? You have to do some unpredictable thing, you know? Yeah, I saw her out and she run down the bathroom. You run going there and say, my girl, I pee up my juice. Don't ramp with me, no. Don't pee up my juice. Come on to the bathroom, no. Come on. I said, don't pee up my juice, man. I want me to you. All right, put in one cut and save it and see if you can sell it to somebody. Because valuable juice that, you know, you're going like, you know, rate my juice, you know. Come on to the bathroom. You're so disgusting. Women love them something there. See that them a laugh already. See that them a laugh. Them a laugh. Them a see woman, them a laugh. Them a laugh. Them a laugh. You see what me I talk about? You see what me I talk about? You see what me I talk about? See the woman, them a laugh. Right? Women love them something there, right? Women find those things cool and fun and be like, he's so damn crazy, man. You know when them do that look something they're like, you're so disgusting. You get on my damn nerves. I hate you. Yeah, them like you. Right? See right there in that chat. See my chat there. Yeah. Some of them man too serious, man. You not devil do man and thing and then all of a sudden you want lecture and tell them what to do and whatever. Nowadays, you know, most of the women them know what they want in their life and know what to do, you know. Yeah, they want a man who them can learn something from, self-assured and them look at something there. Yeah, women love that, yeah. But some of the man don't feel like say, being a man now is with so this, you need to do this and that. Women want to have fun. And some of the things say we have to have a bag of money for have fun. You don't have no money for have fun. Even when the woman them come to you and I say them love money and rare, don't pay them no mind. If you're confident and self-assured, I can't think, you know, whatever, yeah. Woman will work with you. If you can connect with them this way, you understand? And then we'll make an exception for you and not tell nobody. Yeah. Yeah, women love. When you say surprise, some guy thinks say you have to have a whole heap of money to go buy jewelry and thing. No. Surprise can be simple. Right? Can be unpredictable and weird. Yeah, one time I buy a pound of flour for you. I buy a pound of flour and say, no, I bring this for you, and it's a pound of flour. She started laughing right. It's like, I don't know what you're coming with, but I know it's ridiculous and whatever. 1 pound of flour, I give a comment. I say, come here now, man, you can't need flour. I teach you if you need flour. Like, you're serious, right? I say, yeah, because you can't need flour. Come on, I teach you if you need flour and whatever. Women don't forget that shit. Right? Them don't forget them unique, unusual, something there and whatever. Then talk about that when you and then left. You know, I was dating this guy one time, and you know, say, this damn idiot, he brought me a pound of flour, whatever. Simple creativity, you know. Right? Creativity, you understand? You don't need no whole heap of money, man. You have to have that look charisma, something there, you know. I remember, you know, the first syllable in the word charisma is actually charm. You know, charisma is from charm, right? So you have to have that charm in the man, you know? Well, charisma is R-I-S, so you know what I mean. But it's from charm, you know? But the I did it, you know? But it's from charm. You can't beat that. And when woman wants to stubborn up a thing and whatever, and difficult up a thing like that, once you have an impact on them with that and whatever, some of them a fight it and thing and just end up on thing. And if a woman enjoy you, she enjoy you. If a you are you. You know, if you have that something there and things, she will work with you, you know. And things, see? Yeah. See, 23 say, broke, charming men are dangerous. It's true. Right? Me telling all the while, a woman tell me this. So the man them with the wickedest, a workless man have the wickedest sort out. Workless man them have the wickedest sort out. And that them have lyrics. Right? Lyrics have your drawers are for you. You see it? You know, Bridget same father say, any man who can fix anything or make woman laugh, don't trust them around your woman. Don't trust them around your woman. Don't trust them around your woman. Wait, what? You see them make up for the lack of dollars or whatever. Well, I don't really make up for the lack of dollars. The way how some most of the women run it now and thing with the increased liberated space we wanna have now is woman now ramp right, you know, I want to look a man where, you know, and him take care of the finances and thing and whatever. Might not be the most charming guy, hard working. Sometimes them not see him too much and them not let go the man there, you know. And them have the guy who them play with. The burner man. Yeah. That's why me was a burner man back in the day, you understand? I used to love my local role, yeah, man. I mean, I mash up not nobody business and whatever because I know my lane, you understand? Yeah. I'm the fun guy, yeah. Yeah, we have fun. And she would just know, say, she safe and secure because I go hold my mouth. Not care who and nobody say, me not talk. Right? I don't know friend them, I say, my youth, you kill it. No, that's my sister, man. You not kill it? No, sir. No, my shabba man or whatever, man. My good man. My youth, you really a par with them girl who look so and say, you don't move to her? No. I know that's something there between me and her. We're good, we're just cool. Right? And she's very principled woman. Right? Nah, I left her man or anything or whatever. We're good, man. Me nah talk. Nah talk. Our fashion addict say, you know, type is sitting good, you know. So I say how you type right this, you know, because I know some folk here come with right, you know. Oh, wipe on the kill though. It sound weird. That a man talk, a Jamaican man talk. You go on like you don't know, Sherlock you come from. Go man. She can't go on, you see. She come here and make me a trouble, you know. Whenever, right? A Jamaican talk that, you know. So Raga, you were Keith. Yo, wanna see that mix up there with Keith? Who see the mix up? I'm the 23, but Raga, explain your shirt. What about my shirt? What about my shirt? You come over here and dip on my shirt. You're very close focusing on woman, you. What about my shirt? What you have with my shirt? What about explain my shirt? There's nothing to explain about my shirt, right? Try and explain your mind. Is it a shirt pullover or what? I've never used that term before, a shirt pullover, or I'd rather say a pullover shirt, but it's got this, yeah. I don't really use this, but it have this, and it have, I like it. Yeah, it have this, but I don't really use this. But it's a summer shirt, man. But why a summer shirt have hoodie, you may ask? I don't know. Yeah, a short sleeve shirt with hoodie. I never really thought about it. Me just see it and I like. Right? Can I Can I cut off the hood part, please? Yo, that not sound good enough. Fix up that. I know what you try to say, but that not sound good. That not sound good. Fix up that statement there. That statement did not come out right. You never mean to write it, so. Right? Can I cut off the hood part? Fix up that, man. Fix up that right away because we don't even want to kill the visual. You understand? Fix up that art there. We don't. I'm not telling you about no cut off no wood. We don't want to hear them something. Yeah. Yeah, man, I linen. Terry Strawberry, what going good as? People, Terry, and me look on Terry, you know, people, me know say Terry sort out up there, you know. You can't just look on some woman and just know say them good like that, you know. Yeah. And Terry dress nice and thing and whatever, you know. But you know, Terry and them bad girl dressing, they should just do and whatever. But you know, say Terry, can you have woman dress good and them and can't do nothing. Dream Chaser, I like your hood. You know, I'm telling you, I be a bad pick me over here, though. I'm telling you, say, with them, I don't do who I call one day and I say something about Dream Chaser, and I said, no, that's one of the bad one, them, you understand? Yeah. Yeah, Dream Chaser, I know say you like the hood, right? You like the hood, all right. Okay, yeah, big up the hood, you know. Hoodie. I got it. Yeah, back to Terry Strawberry. People look on Terry Strawberry and think, Terry got that, you know. She have that skill there, you know. Terry, I one of them woman that you get a look around and whatever, and I come in a dolly house thing and whatever, you know. Make sure say you come with the A game, you know. Or it's not bad to take it. Draw a card. Right? Draw a card. Terry Strawberry, I one of them woman. But no time, you know, no phone go on our page, no girl. Oh, in case you don't know, people over here, once somebody name mention about something, I want them, man, everybody quietly gotta look for the person, you know. Karen like, oh, you know, dog. Yeah. Yeah. Once I call somebody name and say, Ray, everybody gotta look to. That's how the thing run over here, you know. People, you remember Beanie Man song? I get a girl, I'm have the wickedest slam. I don't think. One of the things say that are still true. Eh? Terry Strawberry say, yes, they do. No, man, my thing say, get a woman can wine better than uptown woman, period. Get a woman them can wine better than uptown woman. That's a cultural thing. But again, wine no mean say you think up there like that. You understand? That no mean say you're good like that. Uptown woman can wine good. Right? From high school, we know that. When we did go to school, you did have what thing named secondary school, right? And then you have high school. And then you have what them called traditional high school, which was the hype high school, them, right? The so-called top high school. Them. And Shanae is like, what? Yeah, Shanae, we are getting the culture right now. And amongst the traditional high school, them, you did have the so-called prettiest girls. The top traditional high school with the prettiest girl in my time was Immaculate Conception High. Then you have Andrews, Holy Childhood, Campion, Arden. Campion was Cohen. And then downtown you did have Alpha. Crossroad did have St. Hughes and Wolmer's. And then you have like another tier of high school, which was Meadowbrook, Queens, and everything. But them was the high school. Now the high school them, really, you know, what them did have is mostly uptown girls. But, you know, post-colonial society, the whole works, the long hair, the lighter skin, the this and the that and whatever. The consensus was them have the prettiest girl. So you did have now secondary school now. St. Anne's, Holy Family and all them school. And whatever. You see them high school girl, then couldn't whine for save their life. Then they workless when it come to whining. Right? Now them did bad doing, you know. Them did sneaky bad, you know. Uptown girl, them sneaky bad, you know. But them did sneaky bad in them one little way, whatever. But immaculate girl, them can't whine. Andrew's girl, them couldn't whine. It different now, you know. It different now. The demographic in them school are different. In a weird way. It's like St. Andrew still have the uptown girl something there, but all the childhood changed a little bit. And them just the up on the road. Woolmer's girl still have the uptown something there. St. Hugh's that literally them neighbor change. St. Hugh's girl them, but Vauxhall girl them can't whine. Camperdown girl them can't whine, right? The Andrews girl them, back in my time. The Holy Childhood girl them, the Woolmer's girl them, and can't do one fart. Them don't know if you go on with the city, then they just kill up themselves and all and something. They don't know nothing. Right? But Shani had dead with love anyway. Right? Don't own girl them. Yeah, don't own girl them whining off. I want to tell you, proper thing, man. Right? I want your friend loud the argument, Raga, with school. What? Tivali girl, them a Tivali girl, boom off your thing, man. You're happy for the rest of the week, man. For the whole month, man, a Tivali girl deal with your case, man. I want to tell you, man, TG girl, them did, yeah, TG girl, them did bad, you know. But only thing they work with monkey lotion and ice pick, but yeah, 6 or 1/2 dozen of the other, you have to work with it, no. Terry Strawberry said, "Me wind up on my uptown boy. He mother beat him cause him come look for me at town." Yeah. No man, them time they were frightened for you some good wine them time they, you know, when you're young, you know. And thing, you know, but me I tell you, say, the pretty girl, them man, them did workless, man, can't do nothing. And when we say pretty girl, don't believe me, I say only them did have pretty girl, because pretty girl, they get her too, you know. Pretty girl, they get her too, but them are bad get her, you know, them have that get her something there, you know. Raga, you just a guess, not true. But just a guess what? What you mean, me just a guess? Oh, by the way, I don't know the same division did the Amobi and Trilani, but I don't really know them school, you know. Yeah. I know Monroe, Monroe Boys School was considered uptown school, that they are, was St. Elizabeth, so you have some school out there, man. But I don't really know the country one. Terry Strawberry said, "I used to come on Narbrook and Barbican when I holiday." You know what that mean, you know? Now I look at uptown boyfriend them up at Narbrook and Barbican and thing. You see it? Yeah. No, it changed now for true, man. Marated. Change wicked. Me can't, when me go back at Jamaica and I teach a Yoi, and me there at Crossroad one time. 2 set of St. Hugh's girl are warring at the middle of Crossroad. I said the middle, the actual middle where the clock there, you know. I don't know if it stay the same. It not stay the same, you know. But you did have the clock and you have the bus stop, you know, the bus stop right there. So then you have the road where I go downtown, and then another road will go up on the post office over this and carry down this. And 2 set of St. Hugh's girl, them are One named the good old crew and one named the proper old crew. Good war, you know. Loud, and them not care, you know, in the Migla crossroad. In my time, you would have never see that. You'd have never see that. The proper old crew against the good old crew. And the things will come out of them mouth. Me go Queens, go do a motivation speech. And me just, what did happen? When me did for talk, the teacher said, all right, girls, come in. Dr. Stewart is going to speak. No, come in, whatever. And you have this bunch of girls will never move. Remember I said, me just drop back now, you know. Just drop back at Jamaica now and thing. And Terry, big up. So them never come in. So the teacher go out and say, girls, you didn't hear us say must come in. What the fuck do you? You know, say we attack. We soon come, man. Me nearly drop down. So I said to her, I said, what was that? What? So Dr. Stewart, that's what the school is like down here now. I said, that is not something unusual. She said, no. That is how students talk to teachers now down here. That's a common thing now. So I said, what you do? She said, we don't do anything because their boyfriends will come here and beat us up. Yeah. And she said, or they will beat us up and whatever. I different something down at school and down, you know, man. The teacher, them a go through it down in Jamaica there, you know. But me say some other school hold the other same way. Me say Andrews hold the other same way. But me say all the child did broke out. Queens did broke out. Bad. The same day there. The same day. But don't talk and whatever, come on, whatever. These are third farmers, you know, which is that in Jamaica, third farmers about. Third farmer what? Like, I would say around 13, 14, somewhere around there. So. No. I say farm, but I mean, you know, it's old now. Because them not use farm anymore, you know, them start from grade 7 or grade 8? Grade 9, right? 13, 14. Grade 9. 13, 14, around this. And you know, in Jamaica, all students call male teachers sir, or them call it, the white name, they miss. And I done no speech and whatever, and them come, sir, where you going with later? We like you, you know, you're full of vibes, sir, you're full of vibes. No, don't talk to me like, don't talk to you, our. I said, don't talk to him. We have boundaries here. Boundaries. Yeah, Batty man. I said, hold on. How we reach this? I said, I don't want you to talk to me so, right? You have some manners and things like that. I want to you, sir. I tell you exactly what they look a girl and tell me, I want to you, sir. I fuck man older than you. Why I want to you. Yeah, man, them just straight up, man. Straight up. Them not itch or nothing, man. Them just cool with them thing, you know? Shelly boy, good night, sir. Me are 51 and my daughter 21. And me tell her, say she can't swear to me or her teeth gone. You see? All right. You have some parents who hold them hard and thing, man. But me I tell you, say when me go back to Jamaica, man, it was a difficulty for me adjust, man, because the young girls, them did a roll with a confidence. I'm going to tell you, boy, what did happen to me at UA? Right? For those of you who don't know, when we do UA, me have to share, when we just go UA and I'm teaching the University of the West Indies, I had to share office with my colleague at the time, Heather Ricketts. And me at that, you know, me I want them man, them have to face the door type of thing. But how that did set up, my back did have to get to the door. Long story, but anyway, my back did have to get to the door. So one day, you know, my daddy and, you know, somebody come in and thing and say, sir, so I go so boom and my wheel around the chair. And I look upon her. People are swear to you she can't more than 5 feet. And like she half Indian and whatever, and she have, you know, whatever. Look very good. She look good. She look good. She's what classically in Western sense you would call like very pretty, good looking and thing like. So I turn and say, can I help you? She's like, yes, sir. Yeah. So we did it, you know, and my friend them attack and whatever, and say, well, like, you and thing, you know, we just come in and some of us want, what's up? Well, man, you know something, you know, whatever, boom, boom, boom. Man, you know something. Yeah, man, you know something. Yeah. And by that time, I had a little spiel that I would do whenever, you know, any student kind of get that way, you know? So it was a spiel like, listen, I'm flattered, but I'm in a position of power, and it would be unethical for me to engage with you in anything that would be inappropriate and thing. Worse, if you end up taking a class from me and da-da-da-da. And always, once you give them that spiel, them back up and them get apologetic or whatever, this and that. Always, 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 always. So when she come in, me notice, say, when me a give me spiel and whatever, she kind of stand up with that, you know, that Caribbean thing there, like, it's kind of like, you know, them sitting on there that stand up there, she stand up like, I look for me like, the expression was like, this fool I want to talk. I make him talk. Obviously he want to talk, so I make him talk or whatever, you know, talk. And she make me talk and whatever. And when me talk and done and thing, me did end up stand up. Me did stand up. So I stand up out of the chair and whatever. So remember I know the door the back behind her, you know, and then my chair there behind me and whatever. So we there in the line. After I done talk, my girl just I walk over to me, but while she's walking over, she's talking. She said, sir, here we go on. You just make me take care of when I take care. And that little 5'5" little short Ross, she reach up with her right hand and in your saw, right in your saw. What you can call clavicle right there, so. She put her hand over so and rest her big finger in your so. You can see this little girl is a little rapist for a long time. Let me tell you, say, everything is just one smooth movement, you know. Everything is just one with the fullest confidence and calm, just calm and like, you know, like, you know, I'm in charge here. What's wrong with you, bitch? Just listen to. So she's like, sir, here we go on. All right? Let me tell you something. Like she reach up with her wife, and everything happened so fast, you know, when she sink her big finger in there, so, you know, and the pain juke me, you know, I just drop back in her seat, you know. And you say me drop back in her seat, my girl just come over me, you know, and say, yeah, man, no worry yourself, me just take care of everything. And dip her hand down and a woman belt and thing, you know. You know, who starts scream like a bitch, but they say, my God, what you do? What happened to you, man? Yeah. Boy, start scream like a little bitch. I don't know, when I look back at it, I say, you know, say I really shouldn't go and say, should I deal with it more masculine and thing, but the way I'm frightened and freak, me just talk, I make up, I say, what you do? Shock, man, in a total shock. And you want to see her to she whingy, you know, when I say I want a little whingy sitting there, you know. Me don't know where she get them. I tell you, see them little short woman there. Not take them light, you know. You see, true, them used to people and underestimate them. You see, true, them used to people and underestimate them. Them just develop this type of, you know, whatever, right? Because people always underestimate them, you know. So I start screaming out time I go on and whatever, and come a shock. And whatever, my girl just kind of back up off of me and say, sir, where the fuck? Yes or no? No. What? I don't even know. No. My girl just wheeling, man. And she said, okay, you're lost. And she do that something. She said, you're lost. And just whatever, and just walk out. Walk out like a me a waste for your time. You know? Walk out. Mela Bella, she sound like a Leo. Yeah, I saw Leo. No, Mela, you're right. You know, I wouldn't be surprised if she was a Leo. Yeah, I saw the Leo them tan man. The Leo woman them bowl them way they and one body up them way. Them, I not tell you, man. Yeah. She saw, yeah. I mean, when I know what she was and thing. You know. Oh, yeah, I mean. Yeah, man, me shock, man. Ball out and whatever, this and that, you know? Because, you know, like, a lot of people here, can me tell the story already. But the thesis of that exchange was, I am always in charge, right? I am always in charge when it comes to interaction with them, something like that. You know what I say? And for her, I was never in charge. Right? Yeah, man, I have a bunch of students at UIN, man. Them, they just bowl. Enough things that are going on at University of West Indies, you know. Them, they just bowl them here, man. And after a while, man, you have to make sure, say, you know, you just juggle differently, you know. Yeah. You know, after you kind of figure out where I'm going, because I was coming out of the United States system, which was very different, you know. Students respect, you know, professors and things like that here. And even if them kind of like someone, but they don't roll up on nobody them way there in America. It's not a thing, you know. So I drop back at Jamaica and I say that time. When I talk to my other colleagues, them I say, yeah, man, come on, think that don't man. Them women are confident, like them young girls are confident, like, whoa. You understand? Yeah, and you just kind of know for move and kind of ratchet back your thing. But but the second part to mislead, you know, man, them have a place, you name the Undercroft over where the birds are there and the auditorium and the this and that. And then when you walk from social sciences, you know, you have a look a pathway where go over to the Undercroft and you can see who down who are stand up around the bursar office and thing. So if you come now, you can see the people them down there. So me I walk I go down. This is after she go on with where she going, and me I walk I go down. But me see her before she see me, you know. Yeah, man, me see her before she see me. So in my mind, me I say, all right, balance up your thing, you know. It's probably a little bit awkward, but go over there, that's easy. It done pass and done already. So she probably gonna feel funny and a little bit awkward, but just juggle the thing in a way where that makes you feel funny again. Again, in my mind, I'm me in charge, you know. This is out in a public, you know. So me I walk go down, me see her first, you know. So me I walk down to her, you know, and thing and whatever, and then my girl turn around and see me. Remember, she look a bit on wind, you know. My girl, I'm 6'2", she about 5 feet. So when she turn around and see me, she wait, what, man? I never see you for them. You good? This little wretch, this little girl with her little ranking self. My girl turn around like nothing, like, wait, what, man? I never see you for them time, man. You good? You all right? And you look like, all right, boom. And just give me a little doggy pat and walk away. And I was standing there like, what the fuck? What the? Different thing, man. Different thing. Bad girl, them, man. Them in a teach a dancehall class, you know, I tell them about that one or two. And the dancehall class was very popular. And then the student them over UTech now, they were allowed to take electives over UE and vice versa. And so you'd have these UTech students come over and whatever. And then we did have one different office now. Them did have one pink business school thing, you know, on the ring road. So I get nice new office over there now and thing and whatever. But all my office set up now, like this at the desk, right? And that the door right there, so but the desk come round, so you know. So if me a come round my desk, me have to walk around and come round, so right. So you can't walk which part me sit down and come here. So you have to walk around the desk and come round where the opening there because the desk come across. So me have office hours, you know. And one of the UTech student them. When you have office hours, you left your door open unless a student inside, then you close your door and you talk to them. Yeah, hell shame. So I sit down at my desk or whatever, and this girl come in, and she have on boots too, you know, because them not ramp for dress, you know. In a hot Jamaica, them wear them boots, you think them care, she have but I know long boots though, you know, them one them little whatever. You know. But you know when women up to mischief and them dress, for them think about them. So my girl come at the door, and in one smooth motion, you know, me I tell you, you know, she come on, and me just see the door a lock. And then she just jump on the desk, you know. And she a slide her come down now. So when she a slide her come down now, she a slide her come. Remember, so now, she a slide her come down, but she a face so. So when she start, she go face me. So she just jump on the desk, in from the desk, and a slide her come down now. But when she a slide her come down, her foot them a come here, so, you know. So me thinks her foot a go lick me, you know. So me start come, so now. And when she a come down, you know, she don't, this would be her right foot, you know. She just swing one of her foot over me, you know. And before me know it, you know, right up in the front me. Remember, you know, I'm a lecturer. She a student. And my girl just swing one of the foot over me, you know, and then drop the 2 foot them. Just imagine, you know, her flat foot up on my chair. And all of this happen fast, you know. And her knee them up here, so whatever, you know. And she just lean over, you know, and I push up. I jump up, you see. You think them gonna call my name? You're mad, man. I jump up, I'm say, get out, you know, out. And them full of confidence, you know, like, we are going so far, just school, no? Just school, man. We are going out. We are going so far, sir. I don't know nothing. I'm not tell nobody, man, don't worry. Out. No, they not call my name and whatever, I'm gonna make me get fired, you're mad. Yeah. I'm bright enough I put up front in my face. So what you know about me? Yeah, that. But me and her did turn friend. She was mad cool, man. Me and her did turn friend, and she did a work. She did a work at that place that where Bembe keep. Man, it was a weekends. She did a work at weekends, you know. Tal, behave yourself, but pink and juicy. She did work at weekends, and anytime I go weekends, and she'll get woman for me. Me and her turn such good friend till she get man and go England and thing and whatever, you know. She'll set me up and give me links and whatever. We turn good friend after that. But them bad like yours, man. God's pitney. You slap it after as if mother tell you. No, man, me and I never do. We never do no. No, seriously, we never do nothing. Me and I turn good friend after that, man. Like, yeah, like, I'm going to tell you with you female student, after a while, counseling, like anybody who them want I was the cool professor who them could have talked to who now look them, you know? And them come and them have them problems and thing, and I was that guy where them talk to and whatever, you know? And yeah, them did all know, some of them all know who me I talk to or who me I juggle with or whatever. And yeah, sir, I see a young woman and thing and whatever. You know, can we buck them up out the road, because them time them I do road, you know? Them time them I party or whatever. So them, you know, at different occasions, them will see me and, you know, Japa road, them time the asylum I go on, you know, and them, you know, and Portmore there, you know, events are go on, Juve and all them something they did arrange. So we always, and them did always out there, so me did I see them, you know, and we just cool and whatever, and them go here, you know. Oh, you mean, tell them your chance. Oh, I was a good behaving boy. the teacher that I was crushing on, it's normal. Oh, you did a crush on one teacher? You God's pick me. So you and him did do nothing? All right. Ladies, when we talk it true. If anyone I wanna do anyone I wanna do then do anything with one I wanna teacher them, just say me. You can't tell no one a big man no whatever man. Come on. I don't mean she talk about. Tell God's picnic wasn't referring to me. She just I said she did a crush on one. She did a crush on a teacher. It's not me she was referring to. See, she see that no, not you. Right, cool. Terry Strawberry, me, Fashion Addicts, me, Dr. Annie, me, Dita, me, Lily after I graduated. Sade, me used to like when I'm a teacher but never cross line. Marsha, they were too old. Me they like one teacher but him they too fool. When you say him never read the play, probably him did a act fool. Yeah, probably him did a act fool. Fashion Addicts had a whole relationship with mine, the best. Okay. Terry Strawberry. God's Pitney. Foreplay. Yannim had foreplay and him ended up marrying a next student who was a year younger than him. Oh, sure. Well on. So when it's a foreplay, like, when another foreplay, he God's Pitney. He did bunny when him go marry the other student, though. And the other student 1 year. 1 year behind you. God's Pitney. God's Pitney. Talking God truth. He did bunny, though. When him go marry the other student. I say never bunny at all because you saw it coming. Or him did I talk to that one day before you? Del Marine, I didn't have male teachers, but there were a few at my school. One actually married one of my friends. Oh boy. You see, I'm telling you, them things are going on, you know. Rosemary, I did love off my maths teacher, but he told me it would never happen. Good man. See, this is a man that is ethically sound, you know? Fashion Addicts, Raga Maria lingerie and heels to my ex-teacher. Okay. Yeah, you obviously did bad. All right. Let me see if I'm not going to talk you truth. Did anyone do it with a teacher in at the school? I don't know if I want to go and talk you truth, you know, but may I ask anyway? No. No, sir. Miss Seymour. What that mean? Miss Seymour, what's up with that? Clear, the male lecturers were gross, so heck no. Yeah, man, I know it's enough on not gonna make you know that though. Even if you don't do it, no. Fashion Addicts, him they too afraid, me dear. What? You know, give it one when you put our deal, them man. Not high school, Stone Hill Academy. Oh. Stony Hill Heart Academy. I went there, the first batch of students, the first Heart Academy ever make was up in Stony Hill. And I was in that very first batch. Yeah. But enough teacher student used to, when me there Calabar, let me tell you something, man. The athletes, them, whether it's track season or football season, Manning Cup season, country at the Costa Cup, and then you have Oliver Shield. Those students, they were very confident, and them did have swagger and things like that, you may have one and two in like the cricket team and so forth and thing, but the athletes, them. And then in most school, you did have a look at alpha male bad boy. You always have a look at alpha male bad boy. We're full of confidence. We step to the teacher, them. And the teachers, they were usually young. Them just come out of teachers' college, Michael Teachers College, Shortwood Teachers College. So they were usually young. And even though those boys were in high school, those high school boys were just really confident and just don't care, and them just step to teacher. So you find, say, you have enough teacher. See, somebody said that still a go on. You have enough teacher we go on with things, but you will hear about it in a grapevine, It's not necessarily loud up, but in a school, look at things with spill and thing, and then some of my boy then chat too much too. God's pitney. The accounts teacher was tall and athletic, just the way I like my man. Okay. But when I was in my mid-20s, a high school boy tried with me. I have to put him in a place. It happens. Hello? 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 Yo, that person I never mean for come. Let them down right now. Take it back Mixup or any other Mixup one or whatever. Our teacher student sort out Mixup. Oh, you're a teacher. Okay. At the prep side. Okay. Girls don't like other girls because they're too close to teachers. Well, I wouldn't know about that because I went to my high school was a boys' school, Calabar. Now, man, but we did have you did have this boy, Neil. Neil had bring gun come school. Yeah, when we see Neil bring gun come school, we're afraid of Neil, Neil a bad boy, bring gun come school. And Neil did a start out one teacher. And she related to Neil. She related to Neil like Neil was like, yeah, she related to Neil like Neil her man, because Neil did a run her head too, Because Neil him did in a high school, but Neil did a move like a Dan. What happened to Neil now? I don't know. That was high school. That 80s. Long time that, and then you did have the athletes them, right? And some of the athletes them who never consider look good. You'd have one named Black Jesus. And him get teacher sought him out, took a Black Jesus was proper athlete. They'd have one brown one named Kalia said the Calabar boy them brazen. I didn't know that for a fact. They didn't have one when named Essen. Him did fast, one brown youth. Him did fast. But in fairness to Essen, the teacher them draw for him. The teacher them go put it on him. Essen was like brown and really good looking and so-called, what named the hair and whatever. Essen did have a kind of, you know that thing they like, Essen have a kind of quiet charm about him, you know. He have a quiet confidence about him and thing like that. And Essen strike me as the type of person who did roll him out too, you know. Cause Essen never hype and whatever, you know. Teachers, they love Essen, man. Then put it on Essen and thing anyway, you know. Of course, they never, well, let me just, no, man, but make anybody tell you about athletes, you know, back in our time, or the athletes, them, the male athletes, them used to. I hear all kind of story from the co-ed schools, them, you know. I didn't go to a co-ed school. I went to a co-ed all-age school, Calabar all-age, but Calabar, I was a all-male school. But the co-ed school, the people them who go to co-ed schools, them have some story. Or the male teachers who used to teach in the girl high school, yo, some of them, you hear some story from them place, them, man. I don't know nothing now, man. And then now we didn't know teacher and teacher too, you know. We didn't know about them that too, you know. Yeah. The footballer them, Kelly, you're right, man. Me I tell you, the footballer and the track youth them too, but the footballer them did get to, man. Hello?
Yo, Raga.
Where you say, Papa?
Boy, you get some experiences them. Me just a listen to them.
Me get some experience. They never look for me. Me never get no experience. They never look for me. Well, you have this one situation where we not get into no. But outside of that, me wasn't a hot boy in our school. Me wasn't no.
No, me attack our young girl jump on you out to strangle shit out of you and you think
yo.
only for experience.
No, man, that's when
I don't know if no that strange experience the way you could have experienced a blow because yo, the one the wicked.
No, I want to tell you, other male lecturers, they had their respective adventures too. I mean, mine was a little bit crazy, and based on my reaction to it, wasn't exactly masculine. Yeah, me a ball out and whatever decided. Yeah, I remember look back when I said, Jano, you know, so I never deal with that properly.
Me and two of my classmates catch a teacher. He was the art and craft teacher. I send it on for a girl, you know.
Pana student?
Yes, man. What? I send it on hard.
Denhamtown was known for that.
Brother, only thing we could have do, because I'm working at the canteen, only thing we could have do, I start him and we get free lunch every day.
Wanna do. Make him have a pay for that phone and attack.
And I'm not giving a lunch. Everybody are gonna know. You understand? I'm principal.
Well, wicked man, you shouldn't do that, man, to his dog, man.
Yo. And I even call him name, but him give a free lunch every day. At least we never got to him for no lunch. We just go in our fridge, take out the eggnog, go in our something, take out the patty, you take up your things and then you go pay, and we just hold the door, and him just close him eye. You know?
Yeah.
Him not say, and we not see what him do. Simple.
See it there.
Yeah, man.
See it there.
But school days was such fun. Well, teacher from primary to all of them school. No teacher wouldn't even look for me, call my shoes tear, call me kick football.
No, me was one of them, like, whatever.
Have enough money to buy enough shoes. I mash up on things, so they not look for me.
Them have this thing, you know, when you go out for the track team, right? So me they live out west. And he did have a Calabar me gonna, but he did have one youth name. Him the name something another small, but when him run, him shake him go so. Right? So when we are racing a street, down a Percy Street and Bradley and North Street, when we are racing a street, no. Them used to call me, that brother there, and call me, no, you run like rocking it small. So me swear, say me fast, you know. Right? So me say, cause me I win my race, then when me I race down at Denhamtown, you know, because me used to live out again, you know. That's something know about Denhamtown and TG and what used to go on over there and thing. Right? So me decide, me I go for the school track team, you know. I mean, I was the first or second farm and decided to me I go. You know, so me go out there for run in my black shoes where my grandaunt or Aunt 10 cent give me from England. And that me go out there with my little socks and my black shoes. So when we go there, at them time, I don't know if you know about the legendary coach Herb McKinley.
Yes, man. I mean, if you know Herb McKinley,
because you know he was an Olympian too for Jamaica, right? The famous too. So you know, so I go out there and I'm a church, I'm a school shoes, you know, but we go church to them time. Cause you know, you don't have it like that. But I want black square shoes, you know, with my school socks. And we go out there and run and thing, and them look at my shoes and one of them laugh off of me like, look a boy, where you go? Where you do? Where you? I said, come for run. I remember Herb McKinley said, young man, come here. All right, you just sit right here with me and let us watch them. That was his diplomatic.
Yeah.
That was his
I
diplomatic.
know that shoes they can't run in.
That was his diplomatic way of saying poor thing. Him have a
Oh
clue
my
where
God.
I go. Consider your son. Consider. Go watch. Yeah, watch them with me. Go watch them with me. Because you don't know where you do right test and things like that. That time, you know, them the runner, them a proper runner, you know. So when they go, then gone and whatever, me over there, in my church shoes are run, you know. And thinking I do some whatever, poor me, I have a clue where I go. And then don't even see me a fart for me. I was
you want a running experience? And then Anton school, me a go in and me come from Waterhouse, you know.
Yeah.
In the politics in a year today, you know.
See it there.
And then the man them go kill blow, we will clad them us up. And the boy them go down a town and take away the people them black ribbon and them command pin and come and cut it. Them not buying nothing, them just go take away the people them black ribbon and command pin.
Who do that?
Some school boys, some come from Garden and some come from Rima and thing. And come a pin on. And I say, yo, don't pin nothing for me because my mother not dead. And the boy them say, boy, yo, this the done. Anyway, them low me. Me go get a little wood carving fist with a lace through it, and we go to school like a couple days after that.
A wood carving what?
Fist. You know, PNPW fist. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
With a hole through it, you know, just
so
from
them time that you was comrade?
My born comrade, brother.
You have to tell her that so we get the mix up. So
then me not tell us what house me come from and me I got then Anton school. Me not have to tell us me a comrade.
No, but no people don't understand them code there.
Them a joke, them don't know so what house. Well, now me don't know what house is now because me see Andrew Wall is a wind seat there and all kind of shit.
No, remember me used to live at Waterhouse too, you know, then upon Beer Farm Road, you know. Remember, you know, upper Waterhouse going to King Jammy's Penwood Road, so I come up to Bings Road and come up to site and whatever. I be a PNP, you know. But from Olympic go all the way down a straight labor right.
Yeah, but that's not Waterhouse, that's a Tower Island compound and
I know, but me I say one constituency.
No, man, a Kingston 11 and one constituency. You have different constituency. Because Mall Road was PNP, you know. Carl Thompson constituency.
No, Mall Road was always PNP, yeah.
Exactly.
No, but but you as Andrew one is a win like, but Andrew one is.
No, man, him beat Patrick Roberts run a
Waterhouse. Then the one me I say, then that no means a Waterhouse in the constituency then.
No, man, him run in other constituency there against Patrick Roberts. That's how when Waterhouse are mash up and the youth them take the gang thing to a level and kill off one another and people afraid to go a polling station.
Remember, say we up here, you know, but you know garrison. You know what we call garrison. I have certain garrison not change. Them just not change generation after generation. So Waterhouse was straight PNP. But when I say Olympic we and Tower Island and whatever, straight labor right now. Josie Wheel side them go down to Grass Creek Glade and Cockburn Plain and whatever.
I try to explain to you. One night time them change up all the constituency they cut, the region. Yeah. And then so comes Andrew get for win because none of the people them never vote. Myself never vote because which part of the polling station there, your life at risk for go there. Because me not talk about by labor right, you know, me talk about by the same PNP where them are war with one another, you know.
Well, Well, you
that the cause
and
them
me
to
know
lose.
say Waterhouse was always PNP, period.
Always,
Always
always,
PNP.
period.
Yeah, straight.
Yeah.
Yeah. But
So
I say you
me
know
that
that
give
then
the
I'm tongue
drama
now.
now.
Yeah.
Me wear-
But straight
me
labor
wear-
right. Anything I west I labor right. Yeah, go on.
Yeah, me wear the fiscal school and the boy them a say, oh yeah, PNP, that's why you never want pin on the thing.
Yeah.
And the boy them, me have on a little gold chain, and the boy them rush me. You understand me? Pure knife, pull off the chain off of my neck, but the chain I never my chain. And me I say, blood clean, me can't left this chain here. How me I left this chain here?
Yeah.
And the boy I circle down the chain in him, and I come so whap and grab the chain like I me are the chain thief. And them I run me down.
And you grab
Them
it, you
time
grab
them-
it back from him. So them grab it and you
Yeah.
grab it back from him. Okay.
Yeah, so them it give us some little New Testament Bible.
Yeah, remember them.
And
The
me have
Gideon
one in my
Bible,
back pocket. Yeah, me have one in
Hold
my
on,
back
hold
pocket.
on. The red one or the green one?
One red one.
The red one.
I hear the drama, no? The boy, the nearest one to me, bust a cut, you know. And at the time there, I went in New York, a arrow shirt, me wear go to school, the silky one, you know, in a khaki color. My pants are gabardine khaki, you understand me?
That was the coolest.
Come on,
That was the coolest pants. Gabardine that one that flow
Just
different
listen,
from the
man.
regular
Yes,
khaki. Yeah.
man. Yes, man. And you see him stand up in it good. So
Yeah.
when him bust the cut, you know, it bust the short tail, you know, and bust the back pocket, you know, and cut the Bible cover, but it couldn't penetrate the Bible. You understand me? And they made a prepare them for the running thing up a stadium, secondary champs and shit. You see when me flash pass, all the coach, him don't even know where go on. Cause only a flash garden show him see nothing move so fast. You
Cause he did
understand me?
run fast. I run me fast from them, though.
Oh yeah, me never escape. Then this man now, me take the chance and go back to school. This man find me at about me have to go up and trap team. Me say for oh, you were very fast. Me say no, I was running for my life that day there.
Oh,
You understand
what the
me?
coach say when you run and I say, but that boy you fast.
Yeah, when we run past him, ask who and them tell him say some say them never know, and then some of my classmates find out say me, and them tell him. So them say anytime I never go to school for a couple of weeks. And me sing like things cool down and I say, boy, I go to school, come on and graduate, you know, and get my certificate.
Yeah.
And I go back to school. And the man I come tell me about go up. I say, no, I'm in life, me did I run for.
Come
And me
try
end up
out.
have to run. Yeah, me end up have to run again. Me never get for graduate, brother. Me have to run again, man, because the man them on to me star.
But you're bright in a big the name brand labor right here and your hype as comrade. You're bright here out there.
Boy, me just them time when you're young, you just tell yourself, say, boy, you invincible, you know, and thing, you know. And I stand up for you, stand up for. But when you realize you're not invincible, all you have to do is run, you know. Not even river run fast like you.
No, but they may tell them about when me I come across North Street and Wildman Street.
Me did watch it. Me did watch the show. Me did watch the show.
Tel Aviv
Yeah,
man
man.
them come and page
Yeah,
me and
man.
whatever. Me have to run and a be a shot a be a car for me and whatever.
Yeah, ask you where you come from and you said down there, so like you don't know the name of the place.
No, at first, you know, for them thing at the time, them say colors.
Yeah.
Them say colors.
Yeah.
And then and you know, say even though PNP are orange. Them
I read
they
we
got
end
to a
that.
face where it was red, you know.
Yeah.
And to me know say them are spoilers, them say colors, and I say straight red.
Yeah.
But you know, me I walk still, you know, cause remember say me a Southie, you know, so them me live a
Yeah,
PNP
man.
here at JLP, so remember say Southie a labor right here, but me know say them a
Yeah, man.
PNP cause them a spoilers, Wildman Street and thing.
Yeah.
And me I walk, I go down towards George's and thing, you know, and I saw them, one of them go say, where you live? Where you live? And I say, down there, sir, down there, sir. And I say, down there, sir. Wrong answer to right, you know, whatever. You see, for me, him say, you know, say the pussy wanna come from down here. I just start run.
Yeah,
Me just
man.
start run.
Cause it's only the way you run, you could have run to, cause you can't turn through what Alman Town. You can't
No,
go
but could have
all
well
of them
left
there
then.
people.
No, but me would have well left them. Remember, say me I try to reach my yard, you know.
Yeah.
And
One way you could have run,
back
brother.
at KC. Well,
Yeah.
at this me did a try go, which is still considered south. But at the time when them start making shot them after me and thing, me did that thing. Me did a try. Me don't know why me did a try if you think for going at a gully there run from Texley and go down a bandbox. I don't know if you know bandbox dry
Yeah,
cleaning.
man. Yeah, man.
And which was a wrong move, and me I tell you, say, me, like his spirit can make me run, go down the road with them saying Price Lane now. And the road is empty, you know. And
I think that same gully the way attack run behind Laliman Sweetie Factory, right?
Probably, yeah. But it go back down to
Yeah.
East Queen Street, you know, come
Yeah,
down a
go
band
straight
box, you
down,
know,
yeah, man.
from
Yeah,
Ayoban
man.
Street, come cross and thing and whatever,
Yeah.
Cloverley Road. But when
Yeah.
me I run down the empty road, you know, me I tell you, say something just said turn back. Remember, I said them I run back at me, you know, and a fire
I
shot,
mean.
you know, and something said turn, something about the road. You see, when me turn back, me see about 3 man come out, you know. I wait for me reach on this, but when them see me turn back, them come out, and them start be a shut off from me too.
Shit.
Yeah, and I saw me come up back on that street. I remember I said the one them from Wildman Street, I come run. What that road the name in front of George is where curve and go run. That's a Charles Street start or Beeston Street.
A Beeston Street, you know.
No man,
Yeah, man, a
Charles Street
Beeston
never
Street.
above Beeston Street. Or a Beeston Street
Yeah.
above Charles Street.
A Beeston Street above Charles Street.
So Beeston Street are the one nearer to North Street then, right?
North Street, yeah.
All right. The whole road there, remember I said I from Wildman Street. So when me run come up back, the one them down a Price Lane, a fire shot off of me. And the one them what did I already run from, I run me down, I come up. And I saw me roll back a right now and then take and go so boom. And roll the right pan Lissant Road where they beside Casey and run go down
Yeah.
Blake Road.
Yeah.
And then roll the left now and I go down now. And when I run down the road, then them a big shot off of me now and me a ball out, murder! Murder! They want to kill me, murder! And I saw my brethren them now, well not my brethren, because I was youth for them, you know, Ujibap and them come out and them they call me captain and them say, Captain,
You
dip!
know where Savior Raga, them wasn't a shooter, you know. Them just have gun, you know.
Most of them are not
Have him, but
shooter.
them
Most
never no
most of them
shooter.
are not
Oh, up to
shooter.
this
Them
day, yeah.
just have gun.
Most of them are not shooter, brother.
Most of
Police
them
kill
are
them
not.
in a jiffy.
Yeah,
Yeah,
most
them
of
are
them are
not
not
shooter.
shooter.
Them not practice. Them not train.
Marky,
Which part I told
you
you
did have gunman who was proper shooter, but most of them are not
No,
shooter.
when them they near. When them they near, man. None of them are never a
Yeah,
shooter, man.
yeah.
All around a water house, a woolly gun, none of them are a shooter. When them they near, them will shoot you.
Well, most of the killing, them come, you know, 3 o'clock kick down your door and come shoot you or whatever. So them are not shooter,
brother.
Yeah.
No, there's no shooter, brother.
And from our time, we can remember the big war them where man a fire shot off of one another and a stand up,
Yeah.
on it, you know? You
Yeah,
know?
and nobody not dead. Sometime, majority of the time, 1,000 shot fire and nobody even get a shot.
You know what's that true?
No, I mean if you know say true, me not tell you what me do, brother.
True. Most of the
Yeah,
time,
man,
and
them are
nobody
never
know
no
that.
shooter. And
Nobody
when
know
me
that.
grew up on the run firearms and thing and realize certain thing and learn, me realize that damn, them are no shooter.
Exactly. Yeah,
Them are never no
because most
shooter.
of them,
Them
when
just have a
most of
gun.
them, when them are, you are trained firearm shoot, right? You're trained.
No man, on the slingshot me can't fire, man. I'm a this trained firearm shooter.
No, but all right.
Right,
But
me I tell you the truth, me not love gun, you know. Me grew around it, I handle it, but I never something me didn't love. If me didn't love it, maybe money for there, know. You understand? Because chances are I would have take somebody life one day, and me know once you take people life, your life will go. Them say if you live by this road, you die by it.
yeah.
And trust me, thank God, you know, you think me shame to tell nobody say me never shoot nobody and thing, and me grew a water house and me old gun, because me can't tell people say me no old gun, but me never shoot nobody. The 2 times I shot fire in my and I accident the gun go off, you know.
Yeah.
Because me I experiment with this gun, you know.
Yeah.
And it could have killed people, and when me look and me say, damn, me almost shoot my brother.
No, but you make a
Me
good
said,
point,
no.
because
No.
when me get license firearm and I start go range and the elder them a teach me the thing. And this I know me a pre-back and can remember say when we a grow up a man a fire shot, all them go suck your mother, bop.
Yeah.
Bop,
Yeah,
bop,
them are not
bop.
shooter.
Go away a fuck a girl, bop, go away.
Yeah.
And I saw them hand up and whatever. So,
Yeah, not even if them try hold them hand straight, them can't even hold
No,
it straight.
no.
They're not no shooter, brother.
And then when you learn for shoot now, and then whatever, and them gear the right, and them I say no one and tell you about balance and thing and whatever. I saw you pre-back now and I say, man, they just have gun and a dilly-dally and I know what them a do and thing and whatever, you know.
But you want a joke, Raga? You see if it come to save my life, especially my little baby.
Yeah.
Somebody I get shot in them ras, me not miss, you know.
Oh, you
Oh,
mean?
me not care how far you there or how far you get shot, because I know even me I shot you at the gun.
Oh,
You understand me? Yeah, you have to get shot, brother.
yeah.
And that's why me not cherish them thing there, you know, and you know.
No,
Cause
me
me
not
got
gonna
very
lie.
much
Me not
that
gonna lie.
fearing
One
on
time, 2 minutes, You have a brother named Weather, and him brought me in a badness. I'm my first person make my whole gun, you know. When me a
Yeah,
look,
me
but me
talk
young.
about
All
him.
right.
Yeah.
All right. So when you look at youth and them a broke in a badness and thing, them for them thing is them take out the shot them and tell if you clean the gun them. And show you if you
Yes.
clean the gun them. So you're a gun cleaner. So that me used to do as I look at you, John. But when you do them something, you know, you feel like you got, you know.
What you mean,
I'm
man?
not clean the gun, clean the gun, clean the gun, clean it. One day, when I go say, yo, go out on the end with the machine and hold off.
Oh my
Well,
God.
I know, I'm the gun, you know. Let me tell you something. It's when you hold gun, it come like when you get your first driver's license. You just want to drive anything,
Yes,
you know.
man.
You
Yeah,
just
man,
want to
you
drive
want to do
anything.
anything, man.
So when I have a gun now, me dead and thing, I'm going to put on Blake and late at night, you know. I'm dying for sit me come for just draw the gun. You know when I tell you, you know. So
I've been there, rather.
one
I've
man a
been
walk a come down now, you know. Me don't know who go send him down for go walk a come down now, you know. Me must say me a little pitney, you know.
What you mean?
Me now me was about 13, 14 them time there, you know. And the man a walk a come down, but no me them say for go hold off the ends down. Right?
Yeah.
So me
Yeah.
say the man a walk a come down now. But you see when you little bit too and you have gun, people.
You're
When
big.
you hold gun, you know, you feel like you're a giant. You know?
You're big, man.
No,
Yeah,
but
man.
in your mind, you're big like one building. You're big like
Listen,
a
my man.
building. So
Who can chat to you?
one of the man, so he might have walk, grown man, you know. You know, he must have 40s or 50s. I walk, I come down. Me with my 13, 14. So. I walk, go back to him and I say, in my mind, my voice deep, you know, but he never deep. But me, I say, oh, you, what you do ya? The man look for me like, what? I say, oh, you, what you do ya? How you talk to? I say, you me I talk to. How you do upon the ends and whatever, Ray. And classic Jamaican response. Look a pissy tail, boy. Move fast from my box in your face and I'm gonna go so boom and ease out the sitting, you know. And
Good
up
on left all in toenail.
until today, dear, remember, if say, please do me a beg you 7 people my mother have me at the best behavior. I will never forget that. Him say 7 people, him say do not kill me. 7 people my mother have me at the best behaving one, do not kill me, whatever. I tell you, and you see that something, you know, there is nothing like the intoxication of power, you know, when you have all gun, you know.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, man, it's a
But you know, when we come to realize, Raga, money couldn't buy them experience there, you know, brother.
What you mean?
Our youth when not grow and walk the road that we walk and walk, not the shoes that we walk, to get certain experience. Him can't get it.
Well, yeah. If you grew
And
up
him have money, but so some I say money can't buy them experience. So you have to live the live and trod the trod.
Real talk.
And I just say it there. Yeah, I just say it there, brother. I do something where if me could have turned back the hands that time, would have undo them. But you know, when you're young, as you say, you do something.
Yeah, man. Me have a little brethren in Madrid, you know, in Spain, Luis. And Luis get up one day and say, boy, I'm going to India. So we are going to India for Luis. I need to suffer. I need to suffer like you. I say, Luis, what you mean? I'm going to India to suffer because you are the way you are because you suffer. I said, Luis, come here. I say, all of we who suffer, we never suffer by choice. Yeah? We just born in it and we deal with it and we get the experience from it. But if we did have faith, if we did have the choice, we wouldn't choose. We go through where we
wouldn't suffer. We wouldn't suffer. After we make ourselves born poor.
Exactly. Yeah, exactly. And the poor that did relative do, you know.
For real.
The poor that did relative. The money that did relative. Can me tell people all the while, when me I grew a ghetto, me never know some me poor.
Me didn't know some me poor, but me never have no problem with it.
Due to insufficient storage.
Trust me.
Me never know me poor.
Some me poor now. Yeah, why me know some me poor. We never have no TV.
Yeah, but you still never Einstein. Everything is relative. You understand something by its comparison to something. You know, relative, its relationship to something. And when me go Calabar, me know say me poor. Because them
But when you go Calabar, your high school, you go and you're big young youth, them time them
no, but I said them me, it doesn't my eye for parents I drop them picnic go school in a car. I was like, what? That happened?
Yeah, for real.
Yeah.
But you did have TV. You'd have TV in your house.
No, never have. Me not grow. I want to tell you, me not growing a TV. The first TV me have when me come out of Homestead Place of Safety, my auntie come take me. That time my mother dead already and me they approved school. And me reach 18 and my auntie come take me. And when me go a fair house at Augustown, she never have no TV. And one day she buy one little black and white one and the line keep on and run up. You know that's something there where the line and run up.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm a figure out a way if I catch it. Catch one, make it lean, look at it and catch it for the line stop run up. That was the first TV me know. And that
remember
was,
when the big back
and that was when it was
TV
1920. Yeah, them time me at
yeah,
1920.
when me about 21, 22,
Yeah.
me trust one a big back color TV, 120-inch from Courts, and I want woman pay a fee because if she never finish pay for that, no Courts I come take it back. You understand?
Well, you're lucky
When
to
I
have
grow
color.
with
You're
nothing.
lucky to have color. You're younger me.
No man, we never have no black and white.
Oh,
TV,
remember you
brother.
did tell me
People
you're older
TV
than me.
me watch.
You tell me
Older
your
than
age
you,
what
man.
day.
Yeah,
You're older than me.
older than you, man. Yeah, man.
No, we never have no color. When color TV come in and things, that was a big thing in Jamaica.
You know, me I tell you, when me a big man, me buy I first TV, me buy is a color TV because me couldn't afford black and white.
Oh, later, okay, because a black and white TV we grew up with and thing, you
Then
know.
time me have woman, me not tell you, say a woman pay for the blood clean TV, brother.
But you good in, you get woman for buy TV for you them time there. I did what?
Why, me not know, you know. God rest her soul, she dead, you know. She do all of that,
is it have to be something you did that do for her?
Me that beat the skin, how you talk about, man?
And you probably did that beat it properly then.
Oh, you mean if me I beat it properly?
So you
Me never get a complaint yet.
You never, okay, so big up yourself because you did have TV sort out.
Yes.
Yeah, because enough man don't even have a popcorn sort out or whatever, or a cheese
No,
tricks.
them not sort out, man.
Yeah, you understand. You see that woman there in that chat named Tal?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, man. She tell her a story, a man get her a proper fix up and thing and whatever. She said she'd have to pay down on car for him right away, man.
Of course.
See her in that chat, the Tal, T-A-A-L.
Yeah, pick up yourself, Tal, because when you go hardware and lumber, if you not pay for wood, you're not getting none.
Yeah. Say, boy, put it on her properly and whatever, man. She pay down on a Toyota for him right away and things. So you don't know, say, the fix her good, you know. Yes, look what she post. Look what she post. You see where she post? Look what she post. Tal.
Good body forget things.
That's right. So yes, she say when me say whatever, yeah.
Yeah, man. Well, that's why nothing too good for me, get a woman, because me I tell you, me get from woman over the years, Tal. You know?
No, whether or not you get, good woman forget things, period.
Yeah.
Good woman forget things. Good woman, as long as them not try clown you out and ground you out certain way.
All bad woman forget things too. But maybe some beating. All bad woman forget things, but maybe some beating.
Bad woman?
They don't forget things, yeah.
No, bad woman don't forget things unless she's bad for you.
Unless there's some beating, right?
No, unless she's bad for you, unless she defend you, unless she do so for you. Man, I ain't give about no bad woman for you. Hey, you have some woman out there, no. Hey, you know, say you have woman that beat man out there, make man.
Long time.
Make
no one fisher woman, fear man, if you wash up the plate and cook and everything, but she make the money and come in. Anything, if you look for no woman, a beat him get, man.
All right. You know, say the standard gambling card game in a ghetto is a Peter Pat or Romy, right?
Peter Pat.
Romy, right?
Peter Pat.
So yeah, on East Queen Street out of, forgot what the road the name. After your part, if you come towards Central, the local lane them. I forgot them, you know, you have rum lane and them different lane them.
Yeah.
Them have one table out there, one gambling table. I did have this woman, she big. She was like 6 feet tall and just
another lane there, Chestnut Lane. What Chestnut Lane there again?
I don't remember, you know, I just know the main road, them, like Wildman Street.
After you pass the lane, they reach Wildman Street, don't it?
No, if you go towards town, it's Smith Lane, then Wildman Street. But
Yeah,
no, but Tel
coming from down a central
Tel Aviv side, I think a Rum Lane though. Me no
Yeah,
remember.
would a rum lane. If I know rum lane, a water lane. A one out of them two
one out
lane.
of them thing. They were one.
Yeah, it have to be one out of them two lane. They can't run go straight across Hanover Street and go down a sea. But out of Harbour Street go in.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So them out there gamble and this woman, you know them on the main road, but it come like them in a them yard. And whatever. So she's sweaty and she big and whatever. So them a gamble and this boy start style her. So he might tell her all kind of things and whatever, style her and this and that and whatever. And she not too argue with him, and then she tell him, so go on, cause you're gonna make me kick in your face. Who go tell her if you tell her that? The man back out him knife, I say, get ray, this and that, I'm gonna stop you up and ray and beating. And he went go on and she not say nothing to him, And him attack, and she not say nothing. The time crowd out there, And me just say she turn sideways, so. And she walk over to him, and him have a knife, And I say, who are dead? You dead no where? And she walk over to him, and she not have nothing. And I kid you not, that woman lift. Let me tell you, she big and sweaty, auntie. And she lift up her clothes, man, and dip her hand down in her panty, man. And like she go way back around and just wipe up her hand in her front and come up with her hand in her and bring her hand way back in her. One back she give, Him spin like a gig about 5 times, With him knife in her hand, But she read the play and know she a bait, A kuno money, One box, with the pony box, say him not have no ratings against the community.
If me did have control over Tambourine, me have to beat a Tambourine for that.
The point me I make though, that same woman there now.
No, sir.
That same woman there now, one night time now, remember now, she talk back and she say, this is after, she say, I can't even get no man down here, I look for a man, I remember the bridge, and I say, I think she named Don, but she say, like when I said, Don, you dip your hand and wipe your hand in your front and box boy, make boy spin like gig. Which man you think I go want you? Which man you think I go want you? Which man I go want you, auntie, or whatever? Yeah, bad with them, bad man, them, man. Can't do without them. Can't do without them.
Me see a couple of them over the years. Me still tell myself that them man they a wuss. But you never know, Rasta. You have some woman with bad ears, sir.
You ever there with that woman who test you, don't like deliberately test you with badness?
Yes, man. Me never want to tell you it end.
No, you have to tell me. Yeah, no, stop ramping with tell me.
No, man. Then she not gonna get her eye them where she can't see out of them ragga, man. And prove to her who are the man.
Oh, well,
trust me. Yeah. As me said, that's why me say me do a lot of things in my younger days. If me could have undo them, if me could have relive, me would have undo them. Because me still never have to prove nothing. You understand me?
Yeah.
Yeah, she first chop box in her face, And once you chop box in her face, me just lose it. Because me not put me hand on up to this day. At my age, me not put me hand on woman. Me never beat me kids.
No, but what about the rule? The rule say, if a woman box you, you must just take the box.
You turn the other cheek.
Yeah, you must just take the box. Don't you hear them say real man, you just take the box and don't you ever put your hand on a woman. What about that rule?
Only 2 cheeks me have. So when she box me, I turn the next one and I run out of cheeks. We are going now.
No, you just go and take box by your cheeks.
Yeah, right.
You not run out. You just want to take more box by your cheeks.
She'll get a right hand, brother.
Yo.
Me stay away from them thing there. Once you talk to me too hard, me gone,
Thank you. Yeah.
Once you talk to me too hard, me never bother argue with you or nothing. Gone.
Yeah,
and then you call me, try friend me up back on them something, and you can't friend me up back because listen, you cross the line and me is too busy.
Yeah.
Some man make it look like
my meds is like I saw you steal, and if me and you go and juggle, at some point you may draw me out. So me gonna make the choice, we let it go and whatever, because particularly up at that place where the woman them get the the woman them are gonna get the run more so than you, in terms of when violence come about,
me got catch a one real quick. Me got Clarendon go do some work, right?
Yeah.
I see me as a town man. Me drop in a little. Well, them say no country. And this is Kingston come from Yorktown. See?
Yeah.
And them not like if you say a country. But anyway, me drop in there. Me I tell you say when you look pan girls, you know, and through me I want little new, you know, and thing and everybody swarm round and thing. And the first three girls me say something to them. And things say, me just say it and they fall upon the face and then gone. I mean, a Dutch pot me the down there make my bread you open a pot shop and ask me to come launch it or film. A waterhouse, you know, pot was the thing.
Yeah.
So I stay so long in the shop and mall and same time my brethren say, and call me Night. He say, Night, look out the road. I say, what do you mean look out the road? I say, look out the road. And I push out me through a little, like a window like in a mulling shop and look out the road and I see one girl. So me I say, what? Like the girl come, him say, you look out the road? Me say, yeah. Him say, me say, look out the road. When me look, me see another one. And me I say, Rasa, two of them out there. The man say, me say, look out the road. Are the three of them coming, brother?
For what?
Come check me at the pot shop. Can't nobody no want lose out from win this new man here.
No. Me think you interpret that wrong.
Well, whatever way, me choose the wrong one. And me carry her come on me yard at town. I want church meeting out of the road. And she say, she want to go to the church meeting, you know?
Yeah.
And I say, okay, we finish eat some food and thing and then we go out there. So, eat up the food and thing and me say, you know, get ready. And she say, me ready. She no want tights. And me tell her, say, her pussy fat ragga. She no want tights, you know. And me I say, no, you can't go out of the road to church. You know, say you see not church, you can't go to. And this me aware. Me say, no, me not go out there, sister. You put on a skirt.
Yeah,
I make
can't
her
go
go
in a church them way, no.
Me say, ragga, the woman fly up on me long time. Land and slap. Me I tell her the same night.
Fly up on you and shot your back right away.
You know, hear me I tell her, brother.
One of them woman they were like that something, you know, she want you for roll back man. Because you have them, you know.
Brother, all the next morning, me have to have rag with cold water and I try, you know, because you can't see out her eye them. I swear to you.
A couple of things though, you know, two things. The first one, if you tell a woman to check you, and a three of them come, a rob them come for rob you, yeah?
No, man.
Then I come for give you no front.
No,
anytime
man, I joke
woman come in
man.
a group, yeah, but anytime woman come in a group, anytime woman will come check you and come in a group and whatever.
No, them are no friend. Them are no friend, and that me I tell you one stop here, so that's why me couldn't see a three of them out there. One day they saw, one day they saw, one day they saw.
Yeah, I said
them are no friend.
Three women come draw for you and the three of them don't know each other and them come draw for you
Them
at the
know
same
each other,
time.
them come from
You
them
blood
know each other.
lie. Three women and look
Listen
you for the first time and come at your yard and
You
the three
not
of them
listen
don't
to me,
know one
Rock.
another.
Rock, you not
And the
listen
three
to
of
me.
them reach
Listen,
at the
them come-
same time.
I'm me a stranger. The stranger. The three of them come from the same community. Them know one another. Them are no friend. That me I tell you.
And the three of them come at the same time.
The three of them come there. We are talking about lie, Raga. Me not have time for tell you lie. Me not get paid.
No, sir, me don't know about that something there. That not sound right. That not balance up at all. And the second thing though, a while ago you talk to me hear when the toilet flush, you know, don't think me never hear when the toilet me hear when the toilet flush a while ago.
Me go spit in the toilet, man, and just flush it, man.
Yeah. You spit in the toilet and flush it.
Yeah, man.
You talk to me and me hear the toilet flushing out the problem and in my mind I said, no, this
anyway,
boy
me did a
did
piss
not.
I do not hear that hear it too, but me just go spit in the toilet and flush it.
Yeah, me I say, you know, say me hear. I wonder if him knows me hear the toilet flush and thing like that.
But Raga, when me tell you just now are the God Almighty truth, brother. Yeah? Me choose the wrong one, brother. And me I say, damn, and me I say, why me choose? Yeah, talk about three girl now come look you. At the same night, me knock with that too.
Boy, you're
Oh,
good.
so you can see it.
You're
Yes,
good.
man.
And the reason
Same
why
time.
them I look to you because you're a pat man.
No, because me knew in the area, you know, Kingston and just dropping at the area and thing. You know, when them see me from me come in, pair drills me way up to now, a lot of drills and shit, brother. And dress properly.
So, you know, because you know, man, in them days in Jamaica, woman just come up to us so just so I run it pound so out of blue. So.
Raga, me don't know about a woman who ever deal with me for money. Because me never have money. I swear to you.
Well, so when the three of them come for you, what them did like about you?
Well, would have to ask them and tell you. Well, you see the one when me the truth. Only she may have contacts with up to today because she ain't up link me up back on Facebook.
No, but what me I say,
and
the woman them did like you, you must know why them did like you. So me I say why them did like you. What was
them
it
like
about?
Me for me. Them like me for me.
Jamaica can get a woman.
Yes, man. And that me I tell you.
Okay.
You don't believe? You don't believe?
No, that's something missing. Something missing. No, me know about that me know about that new girl, new guy on the block, something there, you know.
Yeah, man.
Well, yeah, that's true. But are you a good looking person? Are you considered like really good looking or something?
Well, that's what they told me.
No, you have that. You have good looking boy, woman just like you and see and you're good looking and thing and so you know. So.
And you always fly. Are you the girl who look fun? Always fly. Are you the girl who look fun?
Oh, you mean swag and yeah, well,
swag,
yeah.
Swagalicious. Yeah, me used to talk about Swagalicious.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Me not toot my one on, but I've been there, brother. I can tell you that. I've been there.
Well, let me tell you something. More power
up to this day at me age. How are you talking about? You see when me just come into the community
up to this day, woman just drive for you and just run it by you?
Oh, you mean?
What? Yeah, go on good, man. Me not have them look there, so me have to just big you up, you know, because me not them.
No, well, I as me say, you have man, we have other things where me not have. But that's just my portion when me get in earth and me give thanks to it.
Yeah.
So man, if them not go down in them pocket or try to impress a woman.
We drive fear and whatever and thing, when I them they name Marcia Goodas.
No, but me deal with the man named Marcia.
Okay, but I must Marcia Goodas.
All right. Here when me reach a foreign is a woman drive for me and bring me a foreign.
A Marcia Goodas. Marcia did do that for you? Was it a Marcia?
No, Monica. Hope she'll listen.
Okay. Because Marcia Goodas bring up 4 different times come up and as then come out and left her.
Well,
she night chat.
Majority people will bring up people. Them always left them.
Always, no, I wouldn't say always, but a lot of
left them, brother.
A lot of
are like 95% then.
Yo, most people say them not. No. The regular the regular talk out there now is like man and woman, I tell you. They must say man and woman, I say, yo, when I bring up nobody right now.
Nobody, man.
Yo, that
95% of them are left your brother.
That now we're again. People now bring up nobody again, you know. People them must say thing too cool right now as then come out them
first enemy them have. The first enemy them have in a foreign at the person will bring them up.
First enemy. No, them things they are going, but some of them happen. One, a man, good fall in love and all these things and whatever, and bring her up on the day when she come up all these things and whatever, man, they are airport with flowers and things and whatever, and she tell him what color clothes she wear, but of course I know that she wear, And she come out, and wholly left, and gone to her man, and her man come for her at the airport,
Yeah. And him there they are wait.
They are wait. You want to hear the dog, I tell the police them say something happen, I have her in there because I know she come on the flight or whatever. And the police them tell him say dog, she gone. And he must say, no, I'm gonna see her come out or whatever. And then one next one now, the woman come up. Well, 2 more. The woman come up and thing and them in at the house and, you know, them going at, from airport, them going at the house and whatever. And she must say she needs so and so. So I'm saying I run, go to the road. Him carry her in the house and I run, go to the road. When him come back, you know, goods gone, man.
Yes,
And
man.
next one now with the man now. When him come up now, the night, him stay there the night and put all one pan her pan his wife, you know. And the next morning when she left and gone at work, you know, when she come home, them not dead there, man, them gone, man. Them plan them thing, man. But most people nowadays, them must say, yo, them not bring up nobody. Them not bring up nobody.
Well, me glad, you know, me glad not no rest for my conscience, because the daughter will bring me here.
Yeah.
She make somebody will say, them are my friend, because them see me come and I live good and them there for a little minute before. And I live a little weird way, you know? And she make them tell her, say, me a woman.
And I saw she
And
got
she
so
said, me
good.
fi come out her house. And me still not left, you know. I tell them no papers, you know. And one morning she come in and see me and say, you not gone. And I say, after me not go nowhere, you bring me on. Me not be ungrateful. Me not care. All right, me call the police. And I say, all right, do please, me I beg you not call the police. If you hear me, I beg like a bitch. Me say, please not call the police. Me go left. And thing, I'm call my brethren, him drop out, you know, God rest him soul. Upstate, and you know, and me tell him, say, come for me, and him I say, but me now go come off a work till Saturday. Me say, all right, now Mixup the pass, come for me. And when him come for me, I see me pack up everything. And him I say, I run here, I run where? I say, brethren, you come for me or not, man? And him say, yeah, me now left your road, but me think you ever stay with the daughter. Me say, yo, she said me fi come out and she call police. And him say, what? And he move me and thing. You know, she end up beg me a chance and say everybody make mistake.
See,
And me fi come back and re. But
somebody in our chat, a brother in our chat said, I brought a woman up here and guess what? She nearly tried to kill me. She was obsessed. I had
exactly.
to cut.
Yeah, exactly. A lot of thing go on, man. And it's not no one way street. It's both ways. As you say, man and woman it happen to.
Yeah.
You understand me? And I want to tell you, say it happened to the woman them more than how it happened to men. Because, you know, the population and a woman more than man. And couple of women left yard long time and come here and think them can't find a man to satisfy them, you know?
Also, most of the people them who run off and think a woman who got married man and bring up a man?
Yes.
Oh.
Yes. You know, that's why they make the movie where say, oh, Stella get her groove back.
Yeah, but that was one particular high profile.
Yeah,
but
because she didn't have the position. Yeah, but me I tell her, yeah, majority of women, man.
You know what, with all due respect though to forgot what she name, with that Stella something there. When me see the man, you know, I was just like, you know them something that were like, so hold on,
you take me back.
No, man, I said then she couldn't tell anybody see that the man there, you know, right?
Yeah.
What the woman name again? We bring up because
what
most people were them soon tell her, no man,
yeah,
not Angela Bassett, man. It's not Angela Bassett.
No, Angela Bassett do the movie.
We thought the real woman, Terry McMillan. See the Terry
McMillan. Yeah, Terry McMillan.
Yo, when me see the man, you know, because everybody we were introduced, people read the book, but we were introduced to the story with Tay Diggs. And the other movie that boss Tay Diggs, you know, and Tay Diggs was hot boy, you know, so the woman named love after Tay Diggs, you know, and I said, no, sir.
Yeah.
John know me know why she bring up that boy, because the boy turn good and re. But when me see the real picture of the man and whatever, me I say, you know, you know that's something that where people see what they want to see.
Yeah.
Because respectfully, I know you're there in New York, you have to be careful what you say and think. But as I look at a man there, it's just obvious that a man that did gear. It's just like, I don't know, it's just obvious to me that a man that did gear. Gear. Like
she did her gears, but him gear.
Well, me did I wonder if some other things did I go on this, because some woman like certain type of man, you know. But because it was obvious to me, said that man they like.
Well, you know, so I'll be realistic with you now.
Yeah.
Because it's not like all of them you can look on and say that because some of the bad man them we used to look up to with certain
hold on. That is a separate issue. You bring up something totally different, right? Because I totally agree with what you are going to say. Me I say,
Yeah.
listen what me say. Me say him.
From you look on him.
But everybody who look on him and whatever, you know, but even when you end up a post and people see him and people are say, seriously, Terry, they never.
Well, hear this now. Remember, she and him is of two different culture. Somebody in our culture would have detect that.
Here when me I say no man, that have nothing to do with Jamaican culture. Me say when you see the man, you all right, watch it right.
Yeah, when
Watch it right. Watch it now. All I want to know about that mix up there with Terry Macmillan, you know, when Stella get her groove back. I want to see the picture of the man and whatever, this and that and thing. Because if end up getting him, come out and take him man and all them something. When you don't see him, right away, when you see the picture of him and thing and how him look, when you never right away, I say him gear. All I want to know, but me see what I want to say now. But Miss Carleen said she was also up in age and desperate. All right, let me see it there. Yes. Snapper, that mean yes. I knew he was. Yes. Tammy K said, honestly, no. Tass say yes. Mercedes say yes. Yes. So, yeah, you have enough man who you know about me. I say him. As you when me look on him, I mean I don't against gay people. But just I say
Me never see it.
yeah, me I wonder
No,
like
we not nothing against gay people. People, but you know, I feed them life.
yeah.
When them gay, me get more woman, you know. So me like them.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Now say I heard, man. Big up yourself here, Papa.
Yes, I.
Yeah, man. Protection, man. Cool.
Yeah, man.
Man, I bet said from a city lip glass.
She see the lip gloss. He not cut off it, Raga.
Oh, my bad. Yeah. Nah, man, me the Raga, his father have enough woman, real girl listen him days. Oh, the same brother there with Terry Macmillan. Oh. Yeah, somebody said she did up in her age and desperate and thing and whatever. I guess, you know. That's why, you know, I tell people, you know. You see the thing where you need the most and the thing where you love the most and the thing where you enjoy the most, anything where you have a weakness for, right? So anything where you need, where you really need. Anything where you love, you just have a love for it or whatever, right? And anything where you just enjoy, you have a weakness for it and whatever. Always be able to say no to them things. Then. You must train yourself to say no to them things. So you have to be careful when people bring them things to you. Be careful when anybody bring money to you and you need money. Be careful. People can smell your weakness, you know, man. People can smell your desperation. And predators will exploit it. You understand? And you see, if you enjoy something, you're weak to it because you just enjoy it. You have to be careful with whoever give you that something that where you're weak to, you know. Right? And even if nobody not give it to you, even if it's an object. Right? Anything where you love. Right? You have to be able to say no to it. A decades me I teach people that we all enough we learn the hard way though. Right? And a woman me learn that from. Say, yo, a woman teach me that something there. See? Okay. Something you not come up, man. Sometimes TikTok each, you know. No bend down. See it? Remember now, take it back, mix up or any other mix up on them. Or do remember too, it's a tomorrow, where the show I keep. The show I keep over Big Yard tomorrow. Okay? But me just start over here and then go over Big Yard, you know, so people can go over and thing, right? But me not stay late tonight too. Okay, I'm about to leave you now too. Tanny Hunt. Raga, what became of that white pants I messed up in Atlanta? Which white pants? Which white pants you talking about? Shannon, go in, man. Rosemary Blake, I don't see your name over Big Yard. You're not registered. You need to register. Rosemary Blake, me see you keep on a post and I say you can't get in a Big Yard. Oh, for those of you who go over Big Yard and you say access denied, that don't mean you cannot get in. We need to change that word there, because it's a chew off no found, you know. Yeah, because when I see the greeting page and it's saying access, yeah, I need for that need for change, because when I go there and I see that, I want to think someone can't get in. That don't mean when I can't get in. That's the page. When I explain some of the technical thing, the website is built with what is referred to as a theme, and that is the page you see if you're not a member yet. But what they intended is to tell you that you have to become a member. So if you scroll down, you can see where you either log in or you join. Right? But I think somehow no just say access denied and just think it means someone can't get in at all. That's not what it means. It's access denied. You have to either join or log in. So if you scroll down, you're going to see where you join or log in. See, you know. So Rosemary Blake says, so how do I register? When you go up on the page and you say access denied, just scroll down and you're going to see an option there to join Rosemary. All right? Okay? And I'm going to have that page changed because Raga, what happened to Pansy? Who? Pants? What happened to the pants? Oh, to the pants. Rosemary. Let me see. No, but if me go on it, I go show some login. Rosemary, you have to go there on your browser. TamFam Big Yard. Alright, let me log out. I'm going to show it to you. Show 404. Access. All right. So if you go on your browser and you see that, see it? It's a access restricted, right? So what happened, many you go there and you see that, I want to just see that prompt, I want to think, I can't get in at all, right? But you see right there, so it's a Big Yard away, it's join the movement. If you scroll down, join for free, or if you're already a member, right? You see, it's a join for free. So you would touch that orange button and it will carry you through the respective prompts to allow you to join. I thought that was intuitive, but apparently it's not. Right? So, okay. Or if you're already a member, you click that and you join. And then the rest of the information, just I tell you, stuff that's inside the site, okay? So you just have to scroll down. So even though this come stock access restricted, right, at the top, again, just scroll down and you see two options: join for free or log in. All right. So Rosemary Blake, you would click join for free. Okay. So again, people, if you go over there and you see this access restricted, that doesn't mean you immediately leave because you say you can't get in at all. I have to find some way to get rid of that because that's a true enough bad. Oh, so what about the pants? I don't know, Tanya, I don't know. I don't know what Tanya refer to about pants this way. Hey, I don't love arms house, Uno say arms house, yo. Hello? 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 Ignore the thing with some manos. Don't pay it any mind. Just log in when it's some manos. Don't ignore it, okay? It's basically the hosting company. So them basically a market themselves and thing, right? But it's the company. Raga, tell them the story, man. Me don't know about that story there, Danny Hunt, me don't know which, me don't know. I don't know what you're referring to, Tanya, what a story about? What a story about? Danny Hunt. I be laughing at it. People nothing no go so with no white pants, yeah, man. I say I make up something. I guess, man. The night the girl clothes run on your pants. What girl? Watch a Carolee. I believe her. You believe her and she don't even say nothing yet. You see on the gullible while dancing. Oh, so apparently me did a dance with somebody and her clothes run from my pants, no? All right. So see them on the ear I want now. You know what? When I think I did something deep or whatever, yeah. Right? See, just she said wild dancing, and I don't even remember that. I don't know what. You understand, right? When I love too much Mixup. See, the Dr. Max said that is not a story, Raga. See, there's nothing there. There is no there. Okay? There is no there. All right. Argument done. So all did I look for Mixup, oh, the white pants, wet up and thing and whatever. Wanna get where the duck get. Oh, God. Man. When you say Anna, me brought them in a mix up, no. No, man. None of me brought them in a mix up. Them come over here because them already did broke out in a mix up. That's why them listen Ragashanti, because Ragashanti are the king of mix up. You understand? So, them say mix up for a long time. Carolee, the way how she said it, me think says a hot mix up. No, you wanted it to be a hot mix up, yeah. That you want it to be. Right? Nick, we come over here for mix up. Indeed, you did, yeah. But then I mix up alone over here. You had a Ragas mix up, yeah. Aiden and Jaden sexy mommy. You see, yes, Tani on, you know, see them love mix up too much. One little tease you give them and thing and them get busy. Them get bilious. The one Shanichi run out. And just, Raga, want tell about the pants. Tell about the pants. I want to hear about the pants. Tell about the pants. Raga, don't let go the thing. Tell about the pants. Hold on them. Yeah, cause a big mix up on the one. But tell her, me a angel, you know, me not do nothing, you know. Okay. I even never do anything on not know. On not knowing. You understand, cause me not talk. Yeah. I hold it down like Dr. Mark. Don't it, Dr. Mark, you not talk, no. Hey, Dr. Mark. Me think you did take back the pants. You need to talk more to that story, Raga. What do you mean? Like, Tanyon, what you refer to? What you mean? Like, what you mean more to the story? Me no know what, honestly, me no know what you refer to. Seriously, me no know what you refer to. There is more to the pan story. When I can't make Tanny did a gas, you know, here. Tanny must have did a laugh and I said, look how me have the whole of them like Papi Show. And that, see this she laugh there. Tanny just have the whole of them going and things. See there? Catch you no focus, man. String them along, yes, Tanny. String them out. String them out. Them could all can't sleep tonight. Yeah, them asleep and I go sleep tonight. White pants, unanswered questions, white pants. Tal say black, we got black Tanny from over here. Frustration, no. There is no dear Tanny a stringing out. Tell me what you do to the pants. Tanny having like Kuno Mono, man. Man, I still here tonight, you know, people. Me I leg right now, you know, because what you think about Massacre Show? What me think about Massacre Show? Well, me obviously never dead, eh? But me see the video them. Why? Massacre gonna lead, you know, people. Massacre gonna lead, man. I'm gonna tell you, Massacre, like the woman them are relate to Massacre almost like how the way them are relate to Dexter. Right? Because the woman them consider him good looking and whatever. Now Dexter have more sex appeal than Massacre when it, you know, with the woman them, you know. So Dexter have more, you know, Dexter, even content them is more about sex and the ladies and thing and whatever, you know. And then Massacre now have a lot of the bad man thing and whatever. But the way me hear woman talk about Massacre, man, you know, the ladies them and thing, you know. Mostly 30s down, you know. right? Yeah, him better careful, man. Him better careful when him walk and whatever, because any some of them woman they catch him and dry him, man, and fix him business for him and whatever. Woman love him and he's clearly talented, you know? Right? Me no know him sang them. Me no know him sang them like that and whatever, but the woman them consider him good looking and cute, and me hear a few of him song. Hey, you know who surprised me? Again, me don't know enough, me tell you the truth. Me don't know. Tomorrow, when we are doing live, we never hear the song them we play. Be in 90s and early 2000s. Me don't really know them youth song. Not even a really. Me don't know them song, them period. What did I say? So Tash and them love him there and thing. But yeah, man, him have that something there where, you know, me I say if woman like it, him like it, you know. Him have that something there where woman see man just like him, you know. Massacre and Dexter, them have that something there where, yeah. Them woman them will buck him and say, yeah, I could do this now. Yeah, enough woman will do that with them man there, right? And I would have been the woman them choice, for them choice for do it. Like him not for do nothing, because them just like him and them want do it. Right? See the 23 say, yeah, I mean that, right? Them man they just have that something there, right? Right? Me see more say Dexter is my babe. And Dexter Massacre right now, or whatever, you know? They have some other local one where me see them, you know, them not they're Massacre and Dexter level, but this local one here, the girl, them love him too, you know. Valiant. A Valiant him, I saw him name? Valiant. Yeah, Valiant. The woman, they love that one. No, woman, no, alkaline thing is like a tribe, right? Alkaline just, alkaline is like a tribe. But, respectfully, you can't disagree with me and whatever. Yeah, you have woman who we won't name the alkaline and whatever, but who love alkaline, vendetta, them just love him like it as a Gaza, right? But respectfully, based on my estimation, even though alkaline have the girls them will like him and thing, him not have that something there where Massacre and Dexter have a woman with, that sex appeal, something there. Alkaline not really. People just love, the woman them just love alkaline like as an artist and them say vendetta and thing like that. But alkaline don't have that sex appeal, something there where, like enough woman just say, yo, Massacre could get it. Massacre could get it. Yeah. And him, and it would be the woman's choice too. That may I say, that are the key thing, Massacre never do nothing. Dexter never do nothing. Woman just love them. Woman just love Dexter. Woman just love Massacre. Right? But yeah, you see, 20 said that would be her choice, Right? So them two youth, they know. But you have some woman love of Alki too, but but Alki not have that something there where Massacre have. And it's funny, it's like there was a time when Massacre wasn't as popular as Alki, but Massacre thing gone, man. Gone. Up there now. And respectfully, I know a little drama going out there, him and Gaza, him and Cartel kick off and that kind of something. But respectfully, Massacre carries it well, Him have a little calmness about him. Him no hype and, him no really, him no hype and whatever. Him have that something that alkaline have too. He's not a youth where they're everywhere and run up and down and they're everywhere, and him not overexpose himself, you know. And in my opinion, Massacre carry himself with a kind of humility to where I can see where women will find that sexy, right? Like, you know them people who have with a show off but not show off. But them people who have it, if them show off people that say, well, no, him have it, so him can't show off because him have it. But Massacre have with a show off, but him not show off. You know, so in my opinion, and I can't disagree with me, who want disagree. Him carry, him have a kind of calmness and coolness about him where I can't say the appeal for the ladies, them, you know? You know them man they who just have them confidence and know them things set, so them not need to announce it and shout it or whatever. And when you understand. Out of all of them though, including Cartel, some people are going to vex when I say this. Dexter the performer. Right? Out of all of them, Dexter the best performer. Dexter is a stage man. Dexter is a performer. Dexter put on a show. Right? Dexter not just sing him song them. Dexter have him charisma and him the way Dexter remind me of Beanie Man back in the day. Beanie Man is still a performer, but back in the day, you know, say Beanie was the, you know, Bounty have the catalog, Beanie have the catalog, but Bounty was a good performer on stage, right? Dexter is a good performer. Respectfully, don't want to vex with me or anything, but Cartel and Movie, they're not really good with the performing, you know? But Cartel, me not see anybody out there with a catalog with Cartel have. Moses, big up yourself, Beanie Man, ratings and thing, but me not see nobody with the catalog of song. Cartel to dancehall is what Berris is to songs, to singing. Cartel is to dancehall what Berris is to song. Berris don't have to do anything. Berris can stay still and do a move him and him thing and just sing him song and show turn over. Because him catalog them just good like that. Cartel is the same thing. Right? I know him do him thing and jump up, but Cartel not for do nothing, you know, Cartel catalog just just so many songs and so many hits and whatever. And things. So he's not the greatest performer, but in catalog is just, I know the debate about who are the king of dancehall and who have more songs. I know all kind of something out there. This is just my opinion. Like, there isn't now, and there has never been anybody with a catalog like Cartel's catalog. Like hit songs and whatever. It doesn't mean that other artists never whole heap of hit song and whatever. It's just like, you know, boom. Next, when Beanie and Bounty did run the place, Craigton, how are you about Shabba? Shabba catalog can't come to Cartel catalog in terms of how many hit songs. I want me to hear Craigton. I want to hear Craigton. Cartel have different eras, and in each era is a battery of hit songs, right? In terms of having songs for the main spaces of dancehall, there is nobody comparable to Cartel right now. Cartel have serious songs where, you know, thank you, Jamie, wake up this morning, whatever. Cartel have girl tune songs, a battery of songs. Cartel have, you know, badness songs, a battery of songs. Cartel have conscious songs, like what we call reality, or what them call culture song, or whatever. Cartel have them there. And I be a hit song same way, right? And people, for a while, I'll find myself argue with people like, yeah, I prefer Black Cartel than White Cartel. Which are the artists we talk about? So when we talk about artists, so like, me I tell people, say, no, man, Black Cartel sang them, and Wicked sang them, and whatever, and thing. And Gal Tune Cartel, or 2000 Cartel, or, or 2010 Up Cartel. And it's like the man have different phases, like different eras, You understand? You have Jail Cartel and Free Cartel song, And I be a hit song same way. People, people, I wonder if you don't realize, like, how incredibly it have to be for you in a prison for so long and you still a run. Dancehall is one of the most competitive space there is, One of the most competitive space there is in terms of musical, space, And for you in a prison, in the worst prison in a Jamaica, and you have a mindset where you're not overcome by bitterness or depression or whatever, but there is something going on in your mind in terms of resistance and staying upbeat and maintaining those creative juices and so forth and things like that. Not only to be producing songs, but to be producing a whole heap of song and then have the song them around the place. See, people, I wonder if you realize how incredible that is. Again, I not get in who guilty with nothing. I not get in that who used to do our road. I just talk about the music. Like, Cartel is just on another level. And again, I don't know if I'm sang them, I don't know them or whatever, But I know when Cartel come out, I call Canide, Jersey and thing, and and when you get the new clocks, the daddy, and them other Cartel and thing and whatever, I know. I said the man have one song where me think of that song, they bust him with woman. And when me did hear it first, me like, yeah, it sound all right, but what the big deal with it? Me say it sound good, but why not go on so far? And I reach a point where I was just like, you know what? It's not for you. Raga, it's not for you. So you don't get it. Because when me tell you, say, woman, they love that song, they love that song. Which song me talk? Sweet to the belly. Women will hear the song and them just transform back in the day. I said, and I was about that song. Yeah. They love the song, them 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 love the song. So till. And I just realized, like, it's not for you. It's just not for you. The woman them get it. Because the woman them want to forget it and the woman them get it. The collabs them were Cartel do where him write them to, with him and Vanessa Bling when things and whatever, like the local story time thing them and whatever. I be your hits. I be your hits, So him just have them, him just have like, and he was smart enough, respectfully. I know some people may be like, remember when Beanie and Bounty did around the place, and the man them did rape Bounty, for two reasons, right? You did have poor people governor, right? Right? Poor people fed up, and when the system set up, and tell them say anytime, be hungry again here, go see me nine, those were social comments, but what was Bounty know for? Clash, bad man thing, right? Being in clash too, But being sing a whole heap of song for the ladies them. What happened now? Years down the line now, most of them young youth they know who did I say, I kill all the man, make me go away and ray fishing, remember them time there, whatever this and that. Them youth they now turn big man now, Them big man, them not pre the badness when them did a pre when them did rate Bounty. The man them have family and responsibilities and all them something and whatever and thing. And them I look hard back on them young time and I say, no, them time them did a move wrong, and I make certain choices and thing and whatever. Them big man they know they on a level now where Bounty's catalog is no longer appealing to them. From Beanie side, when it was the ladies them, even the big man them, even though Beanie is not as popular then or whatever, but the big man them still love Beanie. Them still love Beanie. What? So Beanie Man still I get more sure now than Bounty. Because Beanie sang them did have appeal. What am I getting at? Cartel understood that. Cartel is very strategic, you know. So Cartel sing the bad song them, you know, the gangster song them and whatever, and clash, you know. Remember, you know, they clash with all Bounty too and whatever, and clash with Movie and whatever. But Cartel end up sing a whole heap of song them where you could have called them social commentary. People I want to realize a Cartel in a very creative way embraced and produced humor. Humor in a theme one way, you know. It wasn't obvious like he might get joke. But like things when he might did the story time song, Shorty catch me last night. And you know, people may listen to that and I laugh and I can't believe, you know, the Cartel go put that in our song and whatever. Him understand that something. Him sing a whole heap of song for the girls, them. Him understand that something there. Right? And him I reap the rewards now. People, you know how much grown women me hear say, oh, I just love Vibes Cartel, man. Would you be in a relationship with him? No. But me just love him. You know what me hear say, you know, I just want to know what it would be like to do it with Cartel. Yeah, him and Popcorn too. Whatever. But you know, say, well, just do it with Cartel. You know, you have the woman curiosity thing and whatever. I was like, really? But me say, you that there with him? No, we don't want nobody know. We just want to know what it is like to do it with him and thing. A whole heap of woman them say, yo, them listen Cartel song them and them get wet. Whole heap of woman tell me that. The one them all who don't want him, but them just love him song them and them say, no man, when I want a vibes, you know, me listen Vibes Cartel, you know, or when, you know, when babes are come and this and that, and enough woman over the years, me say them something there, you know. I know 1, I know 2, I know 3, I know 4, I know 5, I know 6, and a whole heap of woman me say them tell yo Cartel song them like just do it for them, you know. Him just good like that. And again, I know my, you know, me know, you know, me still in the 90s, right? So me still about Main Street, Dave Kelly, Steely and Clevey, and thing, you know, Goofy. Here comes Fudgy. Yeah, I might sang them there, right? You know, and them sang them, you know, and some bad rhythm from them, Cardi rhythm, Pepper Seed rhythm and thing, you know. I don't know who my artist is, Louis Culture, so that just tell you where my thing there and whatever. So the youth them a do them thing. And the PS I leave some people right I know them have gonna make some choices because I see some older artists right I know, like them just not get no show and thing, you know. So them have gonna make some adjustments, you know. And thing, but Cartel just have the catalog there. I mean, he's 50 years old, he has a baby coming, right? See them he's pregnant, no. You know, he has defied conventions in so many ways and things like that. So I just saw him there, you know. And, you know, he made some choices that certainly weren't good, but he has clearly made some adjustments in his life. And as and we don't know what's going on in private, but for the most part, he seems to be consistent with certain things. And you know what I really like with Cartel right now? I'm going to say finally him get it. Him not take no draw out. A whole heap of something happening back in the time there, you know. Cartel, boom, 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 song come out and him a answer them. Boom, 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 re. Him a do interview and a cuss them and a war them and badness and gangster thing and whatever. He now understand that and probably him also know, like in terms of the law too. You know, even though him get certain things now, him can't afford to do certain things because certain status for him have can be rescinded if him engage in a certain thing. So yes, it can be rescinded. Worse now with them people here who take back this and I take back that and I take back this and I take back that. Even though enough found and know certain things too. Like even though enough found and know certain things were achieved because certain link make DJ Khaled and money run. And that's all I will say, you know. So leave it right there. So but just know say DJ Khaled heavy. When me say heavy, connecting and thing and whatever. DJ Khaled, when me say heavy, me mean heavy. Links heavy, proper, right? Khaled are the man to get certain things done. If you can't get certain things, Khaled are the man. You understand? But me love how him not take no draw out because when I say enough look war bro, so him name call up and thing and whatever and him not follow it up. At least him not follow it up publicly, you know? Seeing? Yeah, tall and a marriage. You say he's married and a marriage, you know. But I don't know if he married differently, but with certain things where him get married, a different thing that, you know. But them I do them thing and the other, yeah. Real quickly. Again, remember some I don't know them music, you know. But I always hear them a talk about one, and him a say, oh, me a bad man, me a gangster, me a this and that. But me never really listen to him song them, you know. Me not listen because I know my thing them. But anytime I see him just embrace him gangster persona and say him a bad man, him a gangster and this and. One day me hear one song from him, but me that's about 3 months ago, me hear one of him song them. And I was amazed. What I'm saying is poetry. It's just brilliant writing. I was just like, yo, this youth is just ridiculously talented. I have to listen about the song and I was like, oh, I had no idea he was that good. The one when name what? Chronic Law. People, for those of you who follow them and whatever, I had no idea this was the work where him put out in terms of the lyrics and thing and whatever. Like brilliant. You know, people use the word poetry loosely, right? With him, no founder me and agree with me, whatever you something. Me listen Vibes Cartel all the while, you know. Me I say, who the frig him think up them something there? Who him think up them something there? Vibes Cartel will just come in and woolly for something like this, disparate things, and just kind of fuse them into a thing that them exist harmoniously together. You're just like, damn, who him think up them something there? But in terms of pure classic poetry, and a real organic exploration of vulnerabilities in life, right? Because most of them other songs that who bad, who tough, who this, that. But when I listen to these Chronic Law songs, they're so honest and so deep. Me never know say this man who me say all the while I say badness me deal with and a badness this and that. Me never know say them something that him a put out. Right? The songs are so honest and so illuminating in their exploration of the phases and textures and tenors of life. Right? Yeah, may I get deep. Right? Yeah, may I get intellectual because it's that chronic law thing them up on a level. Some know say no fun of me and I agree with me and thing, but again, Melissa Vibes Cartel, I'm just like amazed with like, who him come up with them something there. But Melissa Chronic law thing and respectfully, we not really hear anybody else out there with the level of exploration of the human experience like with him have. Me not really hear no other artists that like the youth, the chronicler. Me not hear no other artists out there with the, if them out them probably out there, me not know. But with that type of yeah, when me listen him, I was just like, Tal says she don't know his song. Tal me not know him, and I say 23, so me late. Like, duh, of course me late. Because he has been a big artist for a long time. Right? He has been a big artist for a long time. But I've only seen him in interviews, and when Vibes Cartel have him come and tell me a bad man and thing and whatever. So me used to that from them. From dancehall artists. You know, the whole bad man persona, the hypermasculinity, and the, you know, the overemphasis of manhood and all these things. So me used to that from him, right? Me used to that from them. But me just by accident, me go hear when I'm song them and thing. And when I'm telling you, one of the problem them with dancehall artists, they're so focused on being the stereotypical strong and thing. And them talk about them bad and what them wear and who for belly them dig out and whatever. But when you listen to Chronic Law, it's like you know, it's like somebody who really sit down and think about life and what people go through and them struggles in a way and just honest. It just have an honesty. And again, it's an illuminating, it's like him carry you in into a space, you know, into a realm where him I said, this is my story, this is our story. But it's fearless in being vulnerable in a strong way. Right? The one song when me hear did go down the line there with that type of vulnerability there, when me I say, whoa. And I know even the artist that did write it was Dry Cry, Sizzla song, right? Right? You know, Dry Cry, and it I say, you know, just one of those days. And this is a man I say, well, you know, so me I go through an emotional turmoil here and whatever and things like that. And even that not reach the depth where Chronic Law song them going. And I just two Chronic Law people are just two of them here. So, and if I want to song, but I just two me here. And me I said, no man, that you yeah. When me say talent, man. So me, Ragashanti, I say Chronic Law song them is like a next level something them, you know? In terms of honesty, in terms of insight, right? Illuminating insight into pain, hurt, vulnerability, victory, struggle, resistance, and things like that, you know? And again, theme catalog can't come near to cartel catalog, obviously, and whatever, but I say, you can disagree with me, that's fine. And again, I've listened to cartel thing and songs, and a lot of songs, them, and it's just I'm just in awe sometimes. It's all these little disparate stuff that him bring together and have a cohesion to them and whatever. But in terms of pure, relevant poetry, will speak to you when you listen it, you make you drop back and you just like make you all think and you engage in some serious introspection and whatever. This young man here, Chronic Law thing is on another level, man. Another level, and yeah, I'm new to the party because I just hear two of them song. I'm a old man, you know, so I don't really know them something there or whatever, but he's really good, man. He's really good. Raga, the on the hillside with nobody to talk to. This is one of his songs. Oh, I guess I don't know them. I don't know them people. I don't know his songs. I just but I don't even know the title of the two songs them in my ear. I was just blown away by them, though. You know, he's really good. He's really, really good. Me tell me listen, man, song. I keep back. I made Jangan in some deep philosophical sojourn. You know. His songs, though, the lyrics, them, you know. Willa La Boss was the most streamed artist, and not only in Jamaica about 2 years ago. Oh, for real? Seeing? Well, I'm just learning about them little thing there, you know. Noel Popskin, try Yaxter, you'd say the same. Oh, yeah, I'm guess they're probably more out there, I just don't know them. So, but I heard of Yaxter, I just never listened to any of his songs. Greetings.
Greetings, Mass Raga.
Yeah, man, why go though? Yeah.
Yeah. I'm just waking up and thing. You know, listen, when it comes to music and stuff, and you know, artists that have made a mark from the music and, you know, made their legacy and not here, unfortunately, right now, from way back when. And, you know, I come from a big musical family by my mother's side, right?
Yeah.
And, you know, some of them I didn't get to meet in life, unfortunately, because they, you know, drop out, you know, when I was a little kid, because they were older than me,
Right.
you know?
Right.
And yeah, you know, and you know, I mean, I don't hear people talking about, you know, well, I can't say I don't hear people talking about, but I'm just saying, like, you know, like Jacob Miller. Like, what is your take on Jacob Miller?
Well, Jacob Miller, you know, say you're gone in the 70s, the 80s, I come up and thing. But Jacob Miller was pretty good. I think he was more known for having a unique chant, you know, yeah, you know, him do him like a thing or whatever and thing like that. But he was pretty good. Had some hit songs, and unfortunately passed in his prime and in that accident and thing. But he was one of the singers where we really, really rate when we have come up, you know. We used to call him Killer Miller, Jacob Killer Miller, you know.
Yeah, man. Yeah. Right. Yeah, because I heard the conversation or the story from you know, Horse Mode. You know Horse Mode, right?
Yeah, Horse Mode, yeah. Mm-hmm.
When they call it Horse Mode.
Yeah.
Yeah, right. You know, and yeah, he was telling the story.
No music,
and you know,
this is a Horseman from jungle. Horseman from jungle, you talk?
Yeah, man, original. Yeah, man, original Horseman.
Them man know music, man. Them man know music and know the artist.
Yes, man. Yeah. And the only reason I wanted to come up and you know, say my little 2 cents then is because, you know, when it comes to music, you know, music to me, it's very delicate, you know. It's like going in the kitchen and cook up some ackee and starfish and put love in your food, and you know, music is a real thing, you know. For me, still, that me as still, you know, and you know, coming from a musical background and music family, and you know, those that have left and ain't nobody talk about this one and that one and this one, and you know, growing up. And, you know, listening to music and even the J's, even like Queen Majesty, nobody talk about the J's them no more, you know. Queen Majesty, your eyes are for thee. Some, you know, all them, you know, ain't nobody talk about the elders them. No more. Everybody talk about this, yeah, bend over, and all them something there. We don't know. We don't understand where I go in the music things. But so it goes still.
All right. All right, let's say a word, man. Respect for that input there, man. But you know, respect to the elders, them all is straight, you know. Nah, switch from that, all right? Respect, man. So where you calling
Yes,
from? Where
man.
you link from? Where you link from?
Right now I'm in Atlanta, Georgia right now, Papa.
Oh, you're in Atlanta, Georgia, all right now. What you do? You fly over, come look for a machine, though.
Raga, you know, easy, you know. Nah, nah, man. You know, Raga. It's a long story, Raga. We're not there. We're not there all night to write it, but nah,
No,
man.
but the person, you know, no, we know why you're the long story, but this is somebody who's significant here because you fly over for CR, man, don't.
No, sir. No.
You're not gonna marry her? Eh?
No, Raga. Nobody not there for marrying. And me one, you know, I'm a little butter pan. Them not
Okay,
understand, you know.
All
Yeah,
right.
man.
You see that line there where you do that are from Maffy, you know. You know Maffy? The
Yeah.
actor Maffy? Volier.
Raga.
Yeah?
Raga, you see, hey, Raga, listen, you see your time and my time,
Yeah.
and I did, yeah, about the same time, Raga.
All right,
the
that's
same
your
thing,
word, man. Big up yourself here. Safety and
Yes,
protection
man.
in Atlanta. And if somebody come up to you and your master good as I give you food, don't take it here. All right, then. Be careful.
How that, Raga?
She down there
Nah,
and
Raga,
give
how
the
that?
boss a good as, but if she give you food, don't take it because she go tie you.
Hey, Raga, good job me cook my food, you know.
Okay,
I mean, in my bed, I go, hey, any woman out there, sir, want food? Me, I go cook it for you. Me now want none. Me, nobody come cooking the thing. Me, I go do the cooking.
All right. Smart man.
Yes, man.
All right, then blessings. Here, sir. Respect. Here.
All right, Raga. One love.
Yeah,
Respect
man.
the king. All right, bless
Protection,
up.
man. Cool.
Yes, sir. Respect, bless.
Yeah, man, if big up the one them who set it. But you know, oldies are oldies, you know. And who for people who still respect oldies, you know. But remember now, old is relative and it's time dependent. So you have the people them who are gonna appreciate the songs them from the 70s. It may sound messed up, but those are the people who are that's a generation who is on. That's a generation who is either in the departure lounge or approaching the departure lounge, you know? Yeah. So, you know, so most of them young people, they're not gonna know Jacob Miller, they're not gonna know Leroy Smart or John Walter, they're not gonna know them. They're definitely not gonna know no Prince Buster and them something there. So we have to be a little bit circumspect if we're saying, oh, we're not hear about so and so anymore and so and so anymore. We're not hearing about it because the people who would appreciate it, them people them really not about anymore. Yeah, or them and them way out. You understand what I say? So I just saw that set. You see what I say? Right? I just saw that set, you know. Dennis Brown, the Emperor. Well, Theme sang them Love and Hate and them sang The Cross, you know, so them sang they still get a lot of young people know some of Dennis Brown songs because them that big. You have certain songs, you know, just the song them that big where people just know them because them just play across, you know. You know, Freddie McGregor, the Papa one day and thing, and you know, certain Ken Booth. But them not really know them as artists, you know, but them know the song them. You see what I say? So you can't really knock them youth if you don't know them song, man. I don't feel them time. That them never grow with it, you know. Yeah. You see, the verbal expression, you know where I go, and people may have to go move, you know. I'm still not end up I still not end up leave early though. But me have to let go you know. Remember tomorrow show they over big yard. Me start here so early and thing and whatever, but we are go over big yard for tomorrow show. Right? Who not join yet, make sure say you join for tomorrow show. So you just come over there and go in a big yard theater. Right? And you use the app and you go in, right? TamFamBigYard.com, TamFamBigYard.com, TamFamBigYard.com. TamFamBigYaad. You know, it's 7 o'clock bells, you know. I'm probably start a little earlier to make sure it's a people. Until one on. You know, so me want to play the mix-up, you know, me just play it tomorrow, you know. Me want to play the mix-up there, you know. The one with Keity. When I see the mix-up with Keity, with the brother go catch Keity, I burn him. Oh, God, oh, God. Him ball, you know. No, we have to go deal with that tomorrow, you know, because there's lessons there to be learned, so. When you go send me back the Keity mix-up here, the one, I have it in my phone and I try to find it and thing, but if you send it back to me and thing, all right. The one where the man go catch him brethren of must be 6-7 years and him woman, I shell out him woman and thing and whatever, and really, the man ball, you know. You see what I say? If you not follow, if you not listen to Ragashanti teaching, you know what I need for write something like a quick thing, nothing, whatever, you know. I say, how to not get bun, or how for, what you do when the bun reach you, you know. Yeah. Sell it for $10 or so, you know. For real, you know. But anyway, remember somebody called yesterday and I talked about the pregnancy thing, the woman. And then I go see it, so I go just play it and make you hear it because it come on the news. So the woman who give the man jacket and tell lie, let me see if I can play.
To a case now that has left some residents shocked and a Clarendon woman facing 2 charges and one man heartbroken after realizing he lost a lot of money and will also not become a father. Details in this report. 46-year-old Marcianette Thomas from New Boynes in Clarendon has been charged with larceny by trick or fraud and creating public mischief. She was charged by detectives in Clarendon following an intense investigation into a case that dates back to December 2025. Investigators say 9 months ago the woman reportedly told a man she was intimate with that she was pregnant with his child, following which the male began providing the woman with monies to care for herself and the unborn child. But the big plot twist came on the 9th of August when the woman was supposed to give birth in St. Andrew. The complainant said he became worried when he could not reach the woman. Further checks with the St. Andrew hospital she was to give birth revealed no such patient had been admitted to the maternity ward. 4 days later, on August 13, the woman reportedly called the man to explain she, her other son, and the baby were abducted by 4 Clarendon police officers who kept them for 3 days in an undisclosed location. She contends she and her son were subsequently released, but the baby was taken and she could not say to where. But further checks by the police revealed what was an intricate plot by the woman to trick the man out of sums of cash. Detectives say she confessed that the story was made up, meaning there were no kidnappers dressed like police officers, no kidnapping, no missing baby, and in fact, there was no baby at all. A court date is being finalized for the woman, at which time she's expected to answer the charges.
People, you know, say I want Masharo. People are regular can this, you know. And when I say regular, I mean people hear about that can regularly, you know. Fake pregnancy can, you know. So then the question then is, why did the police accord so much attention to this and obviously pursued it in a way, and with I would assume some vigilance that resulted in the arrest. I chose she go call up a police them name, I chose she go say a police, I tell she go tell lie upon police, that's why the police them move to see. People, listen to me. A regular Candice. A regular Candice. Woman tell man say them a breed and them not breed. Not only a regular can, enough people know about them can or whatever, right? This is nothing new. People have to have a walk. I told she go tell lie upon the police, I tell she go tell lie upon it. But even the story sounds so fantastic. Why me even believe that? Like, oh, police kidnap she, our son, and the baby. And like, oh, she and the son, but them keeping the baby. For what? It's ridiculous. All right. Right. I chose she go chat about police kidnap her and them something there, That's why the police them say, I want a girl out here tell lie upon police and thing. And who for know, it probably take off too. Right? It probably they take after and people down there say, and people down there say, Ray, that the police them are going on and that's why they move to her, man. That's why they move to her. She go wrong this again and mix up police in her hustling. Yeah? And she do that and just say, you know what? Let me tell you the usual with the woman them do. Yeah, me have the baby and thing, and me have morning sickness and this and that. And then at a certain point, contraction, this and that, I'm going to lose the baby. I saw them usually run it. So no found no in here, I want to know, so I want to probably do that too already. Right? So you run it out for a while, and you collect. Right? And then at some point, something happen where you say you lose the baby. Right? I saw the can usually run. She can call a police, name a police kidnap her, and thing and Lego, she and the son and the police them have the baby. They are idiot. Police them have the baby. Make people say, so the police them do with the baby and attack up things and whatever, yeah. And make it now like incumbent on the police them to like make sure, say, we need to make sure this thing is resolved. We need a resolution to it and we need to make it public. Because we don't want nobody believe the police out there have baby. And next thing is the police are sell baby for body parts and organs and all them something there. And them day and age, you just want to look at certain thing just like bust out there. And before you know it, it gone viral. And sitting. And the police them, man. I told you go call up a police them name, man. And that make them go fear, man. Anyway, people in morals, Yeah, man, she got too far, Rumpy. She got too far, man. She got too far with it with the lie. And got mix up 5-0. Got mix up squaddy them, you see it? Squaddy them say, hey, I would have girl here come accuse her wrongfully and thing. You see where we are go through down here, Miss Lady. I want me to you. And I saw them go fear, man. People do remember again, tomorrow show they over big yard. See, make sure if you not register yet, make sure say you register now. TamFamBigYard.com, TamFamBigYard.com. Go over TamFamBigYard.com and register for free. For free, right? Because tomorrow show we are going to some mix up and going to some bad entertainment and all these things and whatever, right? Yeah. And when we over big yard, we can go out. We even free away with thing down. Yeah. Right? We don't have to hold back on all these things. So go over to tamfambigyard.com and register. It's free. And tomorrow when you go over there, you just go in a big yard, you log in, and just go to in the theater, because over there big yard, so you have different place, right? You have different, everybody have them look a room over there, look a tenement yard, right? So you have Fox, like 20 Fox at one corner where she and pattern for your crew there and all them things there over there, right? You may not want to go over there because them will rob you over there. You don't want to go over 20 Fox corner and whatever. Them will hold you down and take where you look a trade bag and all these things. You know what I'm saying? So just make sure you go to the big yard theater when you come over there. And we're going to have the show. Big up on yourself here. Man. And Morris. Raga, member the Archers over Portmore issue. Oh, okay. Hopefully you get some resolution with that. Christina, big up yourself. Tal, big up yourself. Craigton, large up. Seeing. YouTube, big up.